If that rain is too loud, I can close the window a little bit here. It's just the road's really loud here where I live when it rains. Good morning, everybody. Let's get set up here. Good morning, Christopher. Good morning, Alfred and David. I'll get set up here for you guys, and we'll get the show on the road. Same day, different shift. No doubt, it's so monotonous, man. Like, do you know the definition of psychotic or psychopath is to keep on doing things repeatedly over and over, the same result, and those results bad. Look it up in the dictionary. I'm just joking, but it's just, I'm just relating to like the same result over and over, and we keep on doing the same result over and over, and we keep on showing up for the punishment, but in the end result it will pay off though. So anyways, what else is here? The FAMI is up 10% already. Well, Rolls Royce is up 10. Hey, good morning, Jason. Good morning, Pond. Good morning, Turbos. Jay, good morning. Did you, are any of you guys in on Rolls Royce at all? Because if you are, you're doing pretty good this morning. Okay, I'm gonna get set up on some things here. Hopefully, it has gotten a little bit better for AMC. Earlier this morning it was down quite a bit, but I know that means nothing. Really, we'll get her one day. Get her one day. Morning, Ken D. Almighty. Good morning there, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. Morning, Ed. Okay, so we'll get that sent over here. Let's be a minute. Everybody have a good night last night? Audio is low. Audio is low here also. Okay, I'll talk up a bit. There's no way I can, it's on fully cranked. Sound is bad this morning. Can you barely hear? You can? Okay, here, I'll close this window. There we go, man. Okay, is that a little bit better? Is that a little bit better? I'll go into our stuff here. It's totally cranked, guys. Maybe it's because I wasn't talking up loud enough. Sound is bad. Yes, sir. Some reason I can have the same dream about having the squeeze. That's good though, man. That's good. That's telepathy. That psycho analysis, positive energy thing going on there for you, bro. That's good. That's good, because like maybe you're seeing stuff that we can't see right now. No audio is different yesterday. No, the audio is different than yesterday. Okay. Everything's turned up as loud as I can. Yes, once you got near the mic. Okay, better? Okay, good. I'm also speaking twice as loud. Let's continue doing this for the day. Like, loud, okay. Okay, well, sorry guys, I can't do anything. I'll just go into check one setting here. We got a couple minutes before market opens here. I'll just go check one thing up in the software here, and then if it's not, then I'm just gonna have to continue being close to the mic and just talking loud, guys. quality is different. Okay. Just give me a second, my friends. Yeah, it is. Okay. Mount sounds device. Input. Is that better? Can you guys hear me? I have the same issue, and sometimes my computer decides to make adjustments overnight. Yeah, it might have done an update. What I did was, I just wanted to ask you guys. Ew. Is that better? I've disabled audio inside the computer on the mic on the camera. I don't know if that makes a difference. Are you seeing? Maybe you have no audio at all right now. I'm just gonna go into here and see if he's registering. Way better, perfect. Okay, so yeah, it did a software update last night and then put something back in there. Weird. Thank you, Ed. That actually helped me by you saying that it finalized what I was gonna do. Okay, guys, it just did an update last night and must have put some software back in that I already had on. Cool, perfect. Thank you guys and ladies for mentioning that. Okay, it's always something, man, but it is what it is. Okay, good thing we got a hold of it. Okay. Wow, what a crazy morning here. I don't know what to say, guys. I'm just keep on pushing on and pushing on. We'll stay positive. I give you guys credit for showing up every morning to something that you don't know is going to be uncertainty every morning. It has been. It's like climbing out of a hole and getting kicked back down the hole repeatedly. And I just want to give you guys, ladies and gentlemen, credit for showing up every day. And it takes a big person to do that. You know that, right? I just want you to know that. Okay, I'm just going to read through your comments here, my friends. And then we'll jump on in. We're at 30 seconds to market opens here. Okay, I'm going to blast through. Oh, I know what I need to do. At least the internet's really fast this morning. Wow. There you guys go. Market open. I remembered. Okay, let's do this. Okay. I'll get set up here. Okay, I'm going to go back and read your guys' comments here while this market just adjusts here. And we'll get on our way. Oh, wow, there's a lot of you in here this morning. Good, there's a lot of positive energy. Okay, I'm just going to leave off where I left off here. Manjeet, good morning. Osborne, good morning. Good morning, my friend. Thank you for mentioning that. Mr. L, J, OJ. OJ. Sasha, good morning. Ed, it sounds like, okay, laptop, microphone. Tess, good morning, my friend. Good morning. Alina. Ken, good morning. Christopher, good morning, my friend. Turbos, Pond, yeah. Liam the Lion, Jason already said, yeah. JP Ghost, good morning. Okay. I'm just reading through your comments fast here, guys. Shamron, good morning. JP, good morning. Joshua, good morning. Okay. Glock, good morning. Did I miss anybody? If I missed somebody, sorry. So yeah, let's just see what happens here. And I was watching some YouTube videos this morning, and that's when the only time I usually have a chance is I get about 10 minutes in the morning while I'm making my coffee, and it reminds me of coffee. About that Ken Griffin thing. I know what you guys are talking about. I didn't have a chance to look into it. I know you guys are sometimes ahead of the news more than me. It's just my lifestyle, right? Good morning, Kim. And yeah, I just wanted to say that that's crazy stuff. And if we keep on hammering away like on Twitter and stuff like that, that's gonna cause a big problem for them. Right, it'll get the SEC's attention. They're just gonna have to keep on getting, because they can't ignore it, right? It's pretty good like that, right? Good morning, Gloria. Are you guys getting a rough stream here? Because I'm getting a message from YouTube. What the hell? I think it's the rain outside. YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain a smooth stream. As such, viewers may experience buffering. I always get these messages. It says poor quality coming up. Just so you guys know, I am aware of it if it happens. So we'll just keep on pushing on, because it usually changes, gets better. Okay, how many red days are we honestly going to have? I've been in AMC long since August. You haven't been in that long. Fine. Okay, good, Ed. Thanks, Ed. Sasha, I wanted to say something. We've had up to 40 red days in a row before. I've been in since January. Okay. So I hate to say it. We had almost two months of red days, 2.25 or 1.25 months. It was there, and I don't think there was a green day in there. I'm pretty sure. And this was low. We're talking 15s, 10s every day. And I hate to say I'm used to it. That's a really bad thing to say, but I just want you to know that good morning, Michael and Ryan. Excuse me. That it is what it is. There's nothing that we can do. Yeah, I wish I could. I wish I could say something. So Jay, you probably you know what I'm talking about red days, right? Well, no, it was 50 some odd days. Correct me, guys, if I was wrong. Somebody that's been in here for an OG Wolf that's been in here for a long time. Oh, is it? Okay, Alina. Okay, I just got a couple. I watch the YouTube channel. I only watch a couple of them. I just can't. I shouldn't say this. I'm not gonna say it. I only watch one YouTube channel now. I've pretty much erased all the rest. So I watch. So you guys will probably want to know who I watch, right? I watch. Actually, I watch two. I watch Wizard, that Wizard guy, and then what the hell is his name? I'm gonna have to bring it up now. They're all under. I don't remember. It's the same as my cell phone. I can't tell you your phone number. Is because it's all underneath stuff. You know what I mean? Under contacts. So I have to do the same thing, my friends. Just give me a second here. It'll take me 2 seconds. My channel. Okay, Finance Wizard and Thomas James. Those are the only two people I watch now. Seriously. Dead serious. I can't stand the negative information, and because I'm a YouTuber, right? I know what's real and what's not, right? I know more information than the average person. I don't put out everything I know, right? So I can't waste my time. My time is way too valuable to be sitting there and watching back and forth with stupid shit. But I hear it mostly from you guys. So you guys are like my filter. So anything that's stupid, and I will look stuff up. If you tell me something, I will go, oh wow, that's weird. I better go check it out. So Yeah, Shammer. Okay, you guys are seeing the same thought. I thought I was turning into an old, bitter asshole. That's what I thought I was turning into. I was thinking about it. Am I getting old? Am I turning into an asshole? So, anyways, let's jump into some stuff here. Yeah, it just, it's part of the. I'm just gonna. It's a psychological. It's kind of like. It's a war, okay? In a war, there's two different types of war, okay? I've never been in the military, and I know people have been on here. I know that, and I know I'm right on this. There's two different types of war that can affect a person, okay? The psychological and then the aspect of seeing it, right? So we get the problems with this too. This is different than any stock that I've ever dealt with in the history of me ever dealing with stock. I've never had this problem before, and the psychological aspect of it. It's actually can do damage. Watching this every day, being in the negative. That's what I was talking about. Positive energy, being in the negative every day can start affecting your health. Okay, I just want you guys. That's why I was to go for a walk and just try not to line watch. I'm not doing that to just. Like I do it to joking around, but I'm joking around to try to get a point across. So I just wanted to tell you that, guys, you might, if you notice that you're getting, just because I care about you guys, ladies too, that just if you notice yourself getting fatigue and just like irritated and stuff like that, or just headaches all the time and stuff from the stress, try to go find something that you like to do, right? And just to try not to line watch all the time. I know I try to, that's why I don't stare at the screen too much when I'm here. I try to watch your guys' comments and keep busy. But enough about that, I'll stop preaching, okay? It's just that, I don't know if you've ever had talks like that, but that's why I'm here. I'm trying to bring us closer together as a family, okay? So, anyways, there's a couple things that who brought up FAMI, or FAMI yesterday, ticker symbol. It's at 26 cents, but it's been hammering this morning. It's on a rip right now. It's like I said, anything over 10% is a rip. So it's at 13% right now and climbing fast. Okay, so let's get into. I just caught it this morning. I have a little bit of extra cheese today, so I might just go. I don't know. You guys got me thinking about dumping into some other stocks, but because you can't take the gambler out of the gambler, right? Okay, so anyways, we'll get in. I don't know. Is it too early yet? I should wait another 5. Okay, everything's gonna change in 5 minutes, anyways. But I'll go through it anyways, my friends. Okay, so there's people on the way to work on audio. GME 188.78, 0.36 in the red. AMC is $38.20. It's $2.80% in the red. Wow, it is what it is. Ticker symbol CCG. I'm gonna make sure you guys can see the chart. It is CCL Carnival Cruise is 26.78, is 1.48 in the green. Okay, Naked Brand is 86 cents, is $3.72. What? Naked, sorry, 86 cents, $3.82%. Sorry about that. The screen glitched on me. Okay, AAL, $21.74. It's 1.21% in the green. Okay, cost $17.08. It's 1.39 in the green on that one. Suncor Energy, ticker symbol SU, is $26.51. Wow, it's up 3.60 again. It's up. Wow, good. Ticker symbol AC, which is Air Canada's $24.36. It is up 3.48. Wow. Okay, ticker symbol BB. This is the Canadian price, so take off $2 roughly. This is $12.82. It's BlackBerry. It's 2.36 in the red. The percentage will be the same, but the number, the dollar amount will be different. So say about around $10, give or take. MVIS Microvision is $12.22 right now, and it's 2.78 in the red. Okay, some marijuana stocks. CGC Canopy Growth $14.75, 0.34 in the green. on that one. Sundial Growers, SNDL, ticker symbol, 72 cents. So it's 0.19 in the green for percentage. Okay, crypto, 20 cents for Dogecoin. It is 0.05% in the green. Ticker symbol ADA, Cardano, is $2.13, 1.05% in the red on that. Ticker symbol ETH, Ethereum, $2,939. It's 0.31 in the red. Okay. Okay, so good morning, Citizen. Good morning, cryptos. Did I miss anybody else? Okay, I'm just gonna read. I'm just gonna go back in here and read. Do you guys have any stocks that you want me to cover? Just throw them up on the chat board right now. We'll just start. Good morning, Warren. We'll just go through that stuff right away. Right here. I'm going to pull up the finances on the AMC because I can't pull them up while I'm reading that. So I'll put them back up here for you guys. There you guys go. There's all the particulars on the side. Okay. Good morning, Johnny. Good morning. Sorry. P. I'm going to call you Mr. P. I don't know how to pronounce it. Payton? I don't know if I'm pronouncing. I'm going to call you Mr. P out of respect. Welcome to the channel. I've never seen you here before, my friend. Welcome. So, I'm just going to read through some stuff here. You guys just help yourself to throw some stuff up if you want to know some stuff. Today is going to be more of a research day while we stand by and watch this shenanigans and watch our money blow down the drain. But it is what it is, right? I'm going to put some money in some different stocks, I think. I need to start building my account back up. Well, I'm not complaining because I'm actually doing pretty good today. Air Canada's up 3%, so that's $3,000 right there, almost $3,000. 3 grand. No, less than that, 15. And then Suncor Energy, and those, yeah, is how much is Suncor up? Sorry guys, I got to check this because for my own peace of mind here. I just want to see how much it drops. Oh shit. It just went down. It just hit par. It was 3%. Oh, there you go. That's how fast it goes. Yeah, see, the market hasn't adjusted yet. Okay, so there we go. That's why you never count your chickens before they hatch, before the market closes. Okay. I can stand it. Just cheaper. It's just super frustrating. I'm still holding to the breaking. Yeah, Sasha. It's. What they want is this second guessing, and they know that we have problems in life, just life problems. They know that that stuff comes up, and if time extends more than like a year, right, or close to it, they know that after 6 months, people have issues in life. It costs money. Okay, they know that people put their life savings in this stuff. They know, they can see how much these transactions are. I told you, they can see the books. They can see what we can't see. That's what part of the problem is. That's why we're pissed, is because why do they have all this personal information? Why do they know these orders? Why can they stack up orders, all these single orders, and put them through in lots? Why are they doing that? That's our shit. They should be going, we buy an order, it should be going singly through as an order, not for these third-party zero commission apps, stockpiling them up until they get a lot of them, and then the bid and ask and collecting a couple cents or a cent off each one of them and making millions of dollars off us is bullshit. So that has just started in the last couple of years. Okay, that's new. With these, as soon as these apps came out, that's when this all started. And I just wanted to just tell you guys that they know what they're doing. They know that they're stalling this. They've done it before. So they know that they're trying to shake people. I know I've read this before. I just wanted to tell you guys that you're doing good again. I know. Yes, I was reading your comments after I talked about it. That's why I wanted to just to clear. MG, good morning. To just go back over it. And yeah, and I just read Captain Obvious, good morning. this Kenny Lied thing, I who knows what it's going to happen, but they think they got away with something. It sounds like it to me. I've only watched a couple feeds, or like a couple minutes of the feed. He does take his information off Reddit, and you know how I feel about Reddit, okay? Just lately in the last couple months. I've seen some documents altered, because I know the real ones. I know, yeah. So, but I'm not saying that all of it is. I've seen a couple documents that were forged, documents that were put on there and made look like real ones, just because I'm Canadian and I know what a Canadian federal document looks like, right? And I think it was somebody that just didn't know what they were doing. I don't know. I caught it anyways, or maybe they got misinformation. They grabbed it from somewhere, but I can't even remember what it was about. It just really pissed me off that day. So, good morning, Captain. I'm Johnny. Good morning. Okay, so any ticker symbols here? Did you guys put any up here that you want me to look at? CEI. There we go. We'll jump on this for a minute here. CEI is just hammering on it again this morning. Thank you, Johnny. CEI was on the list here. Rolls Royce is par now. It was, what the hell? Wow, what a big deal. Look at this go. It was like, when we clicked on here, it was like 13%. It's already up. 17%. It's almost, wow. 18%. 19. Oh, 17. Yeah, she's getting a retracement now. Damn. So people are just recovering their money a little bit. Because a lot of people, when they get to that percentage, they will pull out and then they'll reposition sometimes, right? Shit, if I made that for the day, if I was paper trading, I would pull out and I'd be done for the day. That's enough money for me, man. 15% on my money. That's awesome. I wouldn't even chance losing it, right? Quit while you're ahead on that one. That's just me, though. I'm just, right? Because we put a lot in on that play. 15, yeah, I know. The sky's the limit, though, right? It's up to what you want to do. Okay, so I do want to find out a little bit more. Why the hell is Camber Energy Company? What the hell is so special about this? Oh, it's pumped. No. Okay, there's no volume here. Then all of a sudden it just picks up fucking volume in the last day. Like right here. Something happened at 3 in the afternoon. It gets just hammered. Yeah, and then double, triple volume coming in. 104 million already. And we've only been open for 20 minutes. Holy shit. That's like AMC when they first... Damn. What's the... And they don't have... Oh. The float. Look at the float. The market float. Just fucking... But where's... Shares out, shares in. Oh, this is going to be ready for... They're going to squeeze the shit out of this, man. It's setting up for a squeeze. Holy crap. Shares out. Shares out and free float. Minus the 3 million left. Sorry, guys. I'm just looking at something here. I'm tripping out. This can't be like that. What's the short interest on this, guys? Short interest and short volume interest. Does anybody know on CEI? Camber Energy? I think I'm going to dump a couple grand on here. Not right now. I'll do it at the end of the day. It's too high right now. See, it's already losing. See, I think a lot of people, when I said that I'd cash out, I think a bunch of people just did that. I called that a little bit. Yeah, it went down 3%. Yeah, definitely some people pulled out of the position. That's a pretty good take. Okay. Reddit has been compromised. Alina, you've noticed that too, or is it just me? Like, I keep on thinking I'm becoming this bitter old asshole, right? Page Shields. Have you noticed that yesterday? I wanted to give you. I did something behind our backs. I just didn't want to tell you guys. Do you want to know? I kind of did a sneaky move on the group. Okay, not on us. It's for our protection. I wanted to see. I thought we were infiltrated by some pieces of, you know what, in our group, not in our chat, but not in the actual, because it does happen, right? But we were being attacked. Okay, I knew it wasn't internally, but we were being attacked by a group. Okay, it was Reddit. Okay, so what I did yesterday, I don't know if I should tell you guys this. I'm just joking. I'm just messing with you. Of course I'll tell you. I didn't post any streams on Reddit at all yesterday. You notice how we've been getting up to 6 to 8 strike votes down a day? We never got one. I don't support Reddit anymore. That's from my own group, man. That Wall Street Breakers is my group, okay? Like I'm affiliated with that group, #1 affiliate, right? I know it's probably not that group. I usually paste on I paste on all the groups in there in the morning. I just hit master paste and it goes around, right? But I just wanted to tell you guys that I just did a little thing. I know where it is. It is if somebody doesn't like the video, that's fine, right? I don't care about that stuff. I don't care. It is what it is. But I knew that there was this pattern forming. I could see it, right? So I just wanted to tell you guys that because I wasn't the only one. I thought it was going like, but Alina said it, and a bunch of you said that you noticed the same things. That it's it's gone weird. It's been infiltrated by a bunch of people that have no idea what even a stock is. I don't think this thing's up to 20% again, man. Okay, make it 11%. Okay. Good morning, Free. Good morning, Michael. Okay, Carlos. Good morning. Oh no, that wasn't a hint to hit the thumbs up. Sorry, Mr. L. That wasn't a hint, guys. That wasn't a hint to do that. Not at all. No. I was just showing you guys. Look, pulled back the video yesterday and look at the statistics. So. Yes, it is, Johnny. It is. It's 22% now. It's 22%. A bunch of people pulled out of their positions and probably went back in. They fucking liquidated a bit and fucking dumped it. Or more traders just jumped in right now. It's at 21 almost. 21. It's gone up. Sorry, guys. I'm just blown away with this right now. Okay, it's gonna start. It's gonna have a pullback. It has to. It's gonna. It's getting FOMO right now, guys. Okay, so anyways, I'll jump onto some other stuff for you, my friends. Okay, the cheeky gets. Man, what happened with AMC? Naked, 11%. Okay, SNOA. Tess wants to know. I got to look at some stuff here. I'm working my way back up the list, guys. Just because I don't know why I am. I don't know why I am. I don't know, man. I don't know. I got, whoa. Ooh. Look at that sell-off. Holy shit. But look at the percent it's at. Yeah, these things are being targeted. Okay, guys? They're trying, holy crap. That was a pump. That was seriously a pump. 50%, so they doubled it. Went right up. So that was a planned. Fuck, I wish I had access to this shit, man. And it only takes 4 or 5 people to do this. You know that, right? Okay, look at this company here. I'm gonna show you guys something. How easy it is to pump this is how they make money. This is how they kick the friggin' can down the road. This is purely a pump dump after hours. It's bullshit. Okay, sorry, it just pisses me off because this is how they're making money, and we have no access to this crap. Okay, look at the turnover. Okay, 100 or 1,000%. That's bullshit. Okay, I'll watch my language here, but fuck am I pissed. Okay, so this thing probably never trades this. It's probably never in its history ever traded that much volume. Okay, for one thing, it's a low stock. Okay, let's see how many. It only has 2 million shares available on the whole friggin' market. Okay. Yeah, that was planned. See, this is how they make their money. That's why when you have $1 million or $2 million, you can become a multimillionaire overnight. That's what they're talking about, right? You can just and they exit their positions, right? Let's see, fucking rights they did. Right. So, anyways, I just wanted to show you guys that. But thank you for bringing that up. I haven't seen one of those in a long time. I haven't seen that. And thank you. Which one is this? SNOA. Oh, what's cranking my neck that fast? Well, you guys have been typing here. Okay, sorry, I just lost it. Oh, thank you, Tess. Thank you. I just wanted to give DBG. Okay, thanks, guys. Yeah, I haven't seen one of these in a while. So this is what's going on, and that could give them enough money to. Well, they're spending a lot of money on these meme stocks. Just so you guys know that it's not a walk in the park. Okay. Same shit. The same pattern. Holy crap. I wish I could pull two screens up here. It's just too much to mess around on my thing. Okay, look at this same pattern. Fuck. I wish I could template that. Look at the same pattern. Okay, if you pull back, guys, if you have a way to look at this screen, keep the screen. If you have two screens somehow, fact check this shit. Check this out. Okay, if you put this in here, maybe I can click through it fast. Okay, DGB, and then I just want to double check SNOA. Okay, just watch this. Just look at the same pattern. Okay, I'm gonna click it. See? Look at the downfall and the curl. This is what it's a planned event. This is planned. Okay, it's totally a pump and a dump overnight. Okay, watch. I'll do it again. Look at the screen. Just watch the exit strategy and how it tapers down and disappears. Watch. Identical. See that? There you go. See, that's how you can tell it was all done. It's planned because there's no way that they can have. It's identical. So, anyways, thank you. But I do want to look at that stock. That the second one over the DB. Okay, we'll put that one back in DBB. Where is it? D. There it is. I'll go back up to this one. Oh, this one's the same too. There's 3 in a row. They're all identical. Holy crap. So that, guys, we just figured it out. Just so you guys, well, you guys pretty much did. All three of these, these three, I can do it again. You want me to go through all 3 of them? So you can see it. Dun, 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 dun. All 3 of them are identical identical. Like you could put them on top and they would almost match up. So obviously they've done this on a computer or something, and they pulled. They're just the same as we do on our trading. We can trade on our computer, but they. I just want to show you something, okay? And then I'll stop screwing around. I found this very intriguing. When you see something like this, it's very rare to catch this. We're probably the only ones that actually caught this. Probably. Okay, look at the screen. Okay, I'll blow it up a bit for you. Okay, look at how it's exit strategy, and then look at the bumps and then the down. I don't know about the end, but just look at this. Okay, that pattern. Okay, we're gonna go down to this one. Identical. See? The next one down. Is that the right one? No, wrong one. Sorry, I fucked up. Sorry, guys, I'll do it again. That's my bad. Shit. Okay, look at. Sorry, here. Same pattern. Look at. Same pattern. Okay, I'll go back again. Same. Okay, anyways, I'll stop screwing around with that. That's very rare to see that, and I just wanted to show you guys. MMAT, yes, I can. Are you using Webull screen? Yes, I am. I'm switched back to Webull for you guys. We had a vote on here. We are up against criminals. Oh yeah, we're getting. This is. Yeah. Matt, yes, I can. I can shop MMAT. So there you go. It's on a down pull bad. Shit. Hey David, good morning, Big Solid, good morning. Michael, I already said good morning too. Okay, if I missed somebody, Manji, David. Okay, I just want to make sure. So that's what we're up against. Yes, they're all criminals, and they are. The software has. The SEC has obviously needs to step up their pace and get with the time that it is with this technology nowadays. So obviously they've got some ITs that have mastered this and figured it out completely, or they figured a way with the technology nowadays. They've caught something. This is all planned. This shit. Okay. So yeah, I don't know what. Anyways. I won't dump in it too much because I know some people get annoyed with my theories, right? But it is what it is. Tesla, we can look at Tesla for you, Manjeet. I just want to pull back on this actually because I'm a little bit interested in this stock here a little bit. I don't have any stake in it. I'm just curious because it has been getting a lot of. Just want to have a look here overnight. Holy fuck! Do I know this on the? Just double checking, just making sure it's not frozen. A lot of action overnight on this. So $6 down to $5. Okay, I just wanted to check that, my friends. That's weird. That's weird that it went up so high and then crashed. That's weird. Usually it'll carry longer than that. So there you go, my friend. I don't know what to say about that. That's like Pierce. I don't know what the hell. Somebody pumped. I don't know what the hell that is. Whoever, some people bought, exactly the same people that bought in sold out. So I don't know if it's the same people. Good morning, Rico. Good morning. Okay, so Tesla. I'll look at some Tesla. Tesla for Manjeet. Oh, Manjeet, right after the stream, you can, okay? You know what I'm talking about. You can do it after the stream, okay? Sorry about last night. I was busy. Look at this. So yeah, Tesla's going down at 280 is down. Okay, so it's 780 roughly. It keeps on bouncing a little bit. 781, 1.24 in the red today on that one on Tesla. Shares out. This is a little bit interesting. Shares out. I know these numbers aren't exact, right? 990 million roughly. Okay, shares out. Free float 802 million. You can see a bunch of people have dumped their shares to get into other plays. Remember we were talking about that because some of you guys have. It's obvious that you guys aren't the only ones. Okay, just so you know that. Okay. I just got a message. I was just agreeing. Andrew, howdy. Good morning. Okay, Future Well, good morning. Good morning, my friend. Good night. We got to touch the resistance line. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'll bounce back on AMC. I was just getting that out of the way here. I'll stop with all my theories and crap. And I'll stop because I know that annoys some people, but I don't know. I know. I just really I just see these patterns, and maybe that's why I do good in the stock market, right? Right. After I have had my messes up. I've screwed up before, right? But I remember the shit I screw up on, right? And then I try to correct it. So these are resistance lines that we've had set since January. Okay, support and resistance. Obviously, it's a support and a resistance line because when you pass it, it turns to be support. It's instead of resistance, it turns to a support once you pass the line, right? The pivot points are computer-generated bullshit. Okay, it's a guideline. It's off of. There's a bunch of things that make a pivot point, make the resistance and trend lines that are set up by these platforms. Okay. I'm not saying the lines in general are bullshit. They're good to have, right? I made these lines myself. I didn't use their stuff because I noticed that there's a glitch in the system on all these stock screeners. Maybe it's not a glitch. It's just that I don't like how it compiles its data. So what I do is I figure out the touch points, but I'll carry it through for like a month. Okay. And what I found is these lines, they're always set up to $70, okay? And some of them are closer than others. They're really close. But these is where it has trouble going through sometimes. Or on the way down, it'll bounce. We're talking like 30 times on those lines over a set time frame, right? So what I will do is I'm gonna show you guys something, a little bit of learning today. So we're gonna put pivot points up, and I'll show you. I'll fact check myself. Okay, to show you I'm not copying shit. There's their lines. There's their lines, and there's mine. Whose are more accurate? Look at my $38.10 is touching all those top candles, and I never knew that before. How would I know to put that there like that? Look at that. Look at this one arc. It hit all 1, 2, 3, 4 candles hit that line and didn't bust through it. Okay? That was at 7 o'clock this morning. I wasn't even on this chart at 7 o'clock. That was 7 minutes ago, and I was on other stuff, doing other stuff. So see what I mean? I just have a way of just figuring this stuff out, right? And look at it all. Like if you go back here. Oh, you can't do it because I got the pivot points up. I just want to show you guys something. There it is, cracking off those lines again. There's some more right there. So I'm just showing you guys, and you can do this too, okay? If you want to do that and just start keeping track of stuff, that's the whole reason. I'm not trying to boast myself here. I'm just showing you guys like how to better yourself and how to learn off of yourself, okay? And you can start figuring the stock out. It's like how Trey figured out the wave action. I noticed it too, but he called it way before me, and I would never take that away from him. Not that I could, right? But I'm just saying that he noticed that before me. I noticed it about the same time. I just was still looking into it, right? And his theory of hitting it 3-4 times, I don't agree on that. Hit touching lines before it busts through, three times, 3 or 4. It was like that for a while, but it switched up. Like it was like that in January, February, March, and then now it does something totally different. It's really unpredictable now. He doesn't even do technical analysis anymore, does he? I haven't watched his stuff probably in about 6 months, 7 months. So I just don't like the charts and stuff, like, you guys know how I am, right? I just don't like technical analysis, really. Not that I don't understand it, it's not applicable to this, right? I've proved it. When I do it, it doesn't, unless I'm doing technical analysis, like where it's like hardcore, like this stuff, right? Where it's imprinted in the stuff that you can keep track of. Anyways, pick up 5 shares at 7. Oh, shit. Thank you. Who just said that to me? Sasha, thank you. I got to buy some shares. I forgot. I had to buy something. Just give me a second. I don't want to miss this window here. Sorry, guys. On hold for a second. Sorry. I gotta load up here. I just seen something. I gotta check something here. Thank you. You triggered something in my mind. I was meaning to do this days ago, and I couldn't. 37.84. Fuck, I hate this stupid bullshit. Oh, you bastard. Money's not transferred yet. That's weird. I just transferred some money and I thought it was available this morning. That's weird. It should have been. What is it today? Tuesday? Weird. That should have been done like yesterday. I should call them after I get off the phone with you guys. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm just going to go back a little, make sure I didn't miss anything. We're up against the algos. Webull cam chart. Yeah, probably grease in the palm. Yeah, for sure. You guys are nailing it. All of you, when you're saying that when you're thinking this stuff, you're right. Right. Just so you know, you're picking up on it too. What's up, guy? We're going to touch the resistance line. Picked up 5 shares, Mr. L. I tried load, and I was going to buy a little bit more than that, but money wasn't transferred, and I'm actually I got to sit down and crunch some numbers. I'm going to jump into another play here. You guys are rubbing off on me. These numbers are too big on other plays right now. That DBGI is at 41.5% right now. Wow. Okay. I just have a thing going off here. You should wait for more dropping. I am going. Yeah. It's gonna. Yeah. I don't like saying negative stuff because I just don't. Ken, how you doing? Hey, Cam, can you explain about computer shares? Yes, I can. Good topic. Good topic. Good topic. Okay, computer shares. There's a lot of crap information going around about that. Okay, I'm going to tell you straight up because I looked into it. I know the 100% the information on it. Okay, this is just between me and you guys. I'm not going to whatever, right? I'm not trying to get clicks or whatever. This is straight up the clicks. I'm talking because I didn't make a video on it because there's too much misinformation going on the topic that by me putting a video out there, I'm just going to get attacked. Okay, so and it's not worth it. Because I don't care about anybody else except you guys, the subs, right? That show me the respect. So, here nor there, just give me a second. Computer shares. Okay, we've been through this three or four times. And there's more to come. Probably in a month down the road, there's going to be another platform coming out and saying, hey, register your shares here. We've gone through this a couple times. One of them was really bad that was asked for bank information. Okay, I almost got into that one. It was very, very convincing. Okay, until it asked, and I made a video on it too. You go back and watch the video. Everybody was like 100% for it. Like everybody, I was up against everybody, and the subs that were part of the group then will know what we're talking about. Everybody was doing that when AA had that platform. Was it called Yes or something like that? I can't remember the name of it. Everybody was doing it. Every tuber was pushing it. Even I can't think of his name. Alpha stock, and they, you know what I mean with them. They're all right. I don't mind them, but yeah, you know what I'm talking about. I'm very neutral on this stuff. But he was actually all over it, which was a little bit different, right? So I was convinced. Okay, fuck, I'm gonna do this. Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it for the team, right? For the group, for the movement, for all of it, right? Because I don't get involved, and now I'm gonna step out of my my area here and actually help out, right? Instead of being on the sidelines, which I rarely do, unless it's to do with direct with the group. So anyways, I go to register, and I get everything, email address, all that. It sent me an email to verify my email address, and then it asked for my bank information. But it wasn't just what bank you're at, just a bank, and that's it, right? It wanted fucking account numbers and shit, transit numbers, account numbers, fucking everything. Enough that if you were a computer guy, and I'm not. I can a little bit of code, but I'm not a computer guy. You guys know that. I'm a stock guy, and yes, anybody can write code. You're just copying something, okay? And if you understand the format to build something, you can do it if you watch enough videos. It's the same as working on a vehicle with YouTube videos. Same shit if you've done it, right? You don't need to be a professional ticketed person to do something with YouTube videos. You can do a lot. Okay, so anyways, I hit that wall, and I couldn't do it. I could not put my account information in there. Okay. So anyways, I came back on the channel the next day. And I'm like, guys, I hate to tell you something. I didn't do it. And I don't, then I was asked, well, should we do it? And I said, no. and everybody's like, what? I've already done it. Bunch of people already did it. And I said, well, did you get to the part where they had the account information? And I said, well, yeah. And they said, did you do it? And a couple of people did. And I'm like, I don't think that's a good idea. And then 2 days later, they're saying it wasn't a good idea that Robinhood was supposedly. And now all that account information is floating around out there with your account. Well, not you, but people's account information. Even if you change the passwords, they still have your account information, right? But I haven't heard of anything happening. But computer shares, I just wanted to, because that's the pile that I'm using to go towards this. Because there's a pattern of this that I'm seeing. Computer shares a little bit different, but it's just weird that it's all coming out with these couple stocks. Okay, it's really they say that it could be the
the catalyst to short squeeze, I don't agree. I don't agree on that. That's a way of getting you into doing things because people want their money, right? I don't know it. I only heard that on Reddit. I didn't hear that anywhere else about that. I just read an article on it. Computer shares on a long position, yes. Very long position. I do agree with it, yes, on a long position. A real long position. Somewhere where you're not going to want to sell like that within like a day or two, or like on the market like we're doing, you won't be able to, right? But yeah, so there you go. There's your answer, man. Very, very transparent, straight up, yes and no. There's two different scenarios. That's the only way this can go. Out of all of them, I would not do it. This one I would if it's a long, long play. Like if it was like BlackBerry, I don't even know if you could do it for that. I don't know that much about the computer shares on that end because you were just asking about it. So I'm just telling you about it. So that's what I was. If you're on long on something and you can do it on like a stock like, for instance, BlackBerry, or if you're on like Tesla or an EV company that you know you're going to be in for like 10, 20 years or even 5 years or something like that long, yeah, get it registered. Get your ticket, right? You get your piece of paper and all that stuff, and it's actually first class, no third, fourth party bullshit. But the access getting to it if you want to dump or something like that is a bitch, okay? So, yeah, I would not do it. You can't. I don't think you can dump it in one night, right? If you do it with AMC or GME or any meme stock like this that you're wanting to do, it's going into a squeeze. You're doing a squeeze play. It won't work to your advantage, okay? It'll actually screw you. So there you go. Okay. If you're gonna buy, ED. Oh, okay. Thanks, Sasha. Okay. I wanted to. You asked about volume. Somebody up here, I'm going to go back up. I'm not ignoring your questions. No, Cam, that was of relevant information. Oh, thanks, citizen. I know I get off on these little tangents. That's right. Some of you call me out. Oh, he's going off again. In a good way, though, right? I'm just very opinionative, and I shouldn't be sometimes. But how do you feel about the volume? I'm going to check the volume, and then I'm going to bounce up to your question, Tess. I'm going to work my way back up just because this is a little bit... 13... volume. Okay, the volume is what's in. Am I in the 1 minute? Okay, I'm just double checking everything. We'll hit the refresh button. Okay, we're getting that wave action again. Okay, the volume is exactly what's bought and sold all in one. So, just give me a second here. I just want to see the market cap here. I just want to watch it for it. What I do is watch. I'll tell you guys what I do, okay? I watch the volume. Yeah, I look at the volume. The volume is what's bought, sold. It's all in one. Okay, you can tell that because, and nobody ever told me that. I just figured it out. You can just see it, right? The volume it'll go up or whatever, right? But the market cap, it's sitting at 1938. Now it's at 37 because somebody sold. Now it went to 36, 35. Okay, because people are selling. 34, 33, 32. But yet the volume's going up. Okay, now it's at 33 because we had to pull back a bit. 32, with 1932 obviously billion. Okay, now it's going to 31 because we're in the red. But when this turns to green, that market cap's going to start going up. Okay, guys. So that's how I read stocks. I don't know. Maybe that's a fucked up way to do it, but it works for me, right? Because you can't just look. The volume is exactly all of it, right? But yeah, the volume's very low today, like really low. So look at the market caps back up again. It's going up now. I'm just watching. I'm sorry. Okay, guys. It's really low, like fucking really low. That's weird. Yeah, the volume is really low, and it looks like these are a little bit. It looks weird. It's like it looks like we're attacked. But there's 3 candles, 4 candles, 3 candles, 4 candles, 3 candles, 4 candles, 3 candles, 4 candles, 3 candles, or 4 candles, 3 candles, 3 candles. Yeah, so something's going on here. They figured out how much volume's coming in. They're fucking with us. So there is just a limit of. Okay, that's not no Future Whale. That's not a problem. There's also different companies that do it too, man. Future Whale. I have an article on that. I can find it for you, right from the computer share company that is dealing with these computer shares, the ones out, and they exactly said that it could take up to a week to get your shares, but they're legitly registered and they're first class. Okay, I'm not disagreeing with you either. But it is a good idea. Like, it is a good idea if you're depends on the company. Maybe that's it is a different company. I'm not disagreeing, and I'm glad that you talked to me. I really like the way that you approached that, man. That was very respectable. Right? Okay. There's just a limit of a mil. Okay. Is this the SPY? This is AMC that I'm on right now, gamer. It's AMC. So is it safe to continue to buy shares through our brokers? Yeah. Okay, you have an actual account? Okay. Yeah, there's different ways of doing it, as you know, obviously. And there's multiple. It's the same as brokers. There's different accounts all over the place, types of stuff. It's the same as some stuff, like, for instance, some companies will execute your orders fast. Some companies take a while. I know sometimes TD takes a while, but it's, I think, a better company. Does that make any sense to you guys? Ali, what's up? I'm gonna make sure I answer all your questions. Ken, so Cam, is it safe to buy? Yeah, I answered that. Yeah. Nothing's changed, my friends. Nothing's changed. But if you can get, definitely, if you're with, obviously look at the size of the company you're with. You want to be with a big company. You want to be somebody like, I keep on hearing, but you have to remember, I'm a Canuck, right? I'm Canadian. So we're very limited to stuff. I can't buy through Fidelity, okay? But I've heard that's one of the best. I'm just going off what you guys say, right? So you guys can correct me if I'm wrong. I like it when you do, right? If I'm wrong on that. I know there's like 5 other companies that are just as good, but okay. What's up, Cam? You buying more AMC shares? I was thinking about it. I transferred some money, but it's not in yet. See, that's the problem right there with that. I'm using one of these zero commission platform things. Simple Trades, that's what I use, right? I think they only have 1 or 2 up here. But anyways, I used that one for... I was using that one because this is where I'm doing my share recovery. That's the account I'm doing my share recovery with. And I wanted to... those are the ones with the $8 shares in it of AMC. There's 188, I think, in there. I wanted to put the more expensive ones in there. I wanted to put synthetics in there with it. Because I don't own... I do. From the other day, I do own synthetics, right? But I only own... excuse me. I bought $1,000 worth of synthetics last week, right? Or the week before. Whenever it was at $40. I wasn't going to buy that many today, though. I was going to put some money in some other place. Okay, yeah, it's Tess. Sorry. I'm with Fidelity. Okay, Ken. Yeah, that's what I heard. I'm just going off with you guys. You guys are it's your guys'. You guys do the DD, most of it for the States. Okay. Future Whale, I'm with you. Yeah, not a problem. Not a problem. With the infinity pool. Yeah, not a problem, guys. That's okay. Like, you can disagree on that. What company is it with Future Whale? I'm just curious. I want to learn off you because I have like a lot of documents saying that the company they're talking about, if there's a different company, that it takes a week to cash your shares out on GME if you put your shares in there. That's all. I just want to make sure because I don't want anybody to get screwed. If the company that you're using is like right away, like you can execute it like we can on any other stock, it takes like minutes, right, to do, then obviously you need to put that name up here and we'll get the information on it and get it printed out and give it access to people, right? So they got the proper information, my friend. Right? right? So it would just so everybody else has the same thing as you, so they don't get misled and they have the correct information, and then so they can sell and they don't get screwed over. I don't want anybody getting screwed over on here. You know what I'm saying? Thank you. Okay, test. Last message. Heads up, possible play. Okay, to test, and then I'm gonna come back. Test, possible message. Heads up, possible play. Possible play. I'm using it for the transparent. Okay, 32 GM. Sorry about the disagreeing with you. That's fine. Yeah, that's okay, buddy. It's okay. Test. Oh, NBMX. Okay. Keep an eye on this. Let's look into it. Okay, AMC is $37.75, 74, 3.94% in the red. Just for the people that are working right now, listening on audio, and I'm going to jump into a ticker symbol that Tess has up here. It's AMEX. Exploration? Is that the one? Nope, it's not. It's not. Can't be. Oh, it changed it on me. Okay. AMEX. Okay, there's two different ones here. Toronto Stock Exchange. Obviously, it wouldn't be that one, would it? No. What do we got here? They acquired the morning. I'm just going to read the rest of it. See what Costco and Macy's maybe a play here. Okay. Okay, I'm getting the wrong stuff. Do you want to be more test? Do you want to elaborate on that? Do you want to give me the actual full name of the company, my friend? I'm getting a lot of same ticker symbol, but different heading on the name, please. I'm gonna check the other one out beside what you got. Excuse me. NBY. Nova Famasi. Okay. And this is the one that... Okay, the stock. NBY, they acquired... This morning. Oh, that's why they have a bit of a go here. It went up and then it just kind of leveled out. It went up a bit. 72 cents is pretty cheap. Volume. 13% overturn. Well, they got some shares for sale. Holy crap. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. Buy in and then sell. Exactly what they pulled it right out again, or somebody did when they seen it go up high like that. But how much what this was worth nothing before? What the hell? Well, the screen's messing up. Am I on the right? Yeah, I'm on the right one. I have to be. Okay. I'm gonna go down to the bottom. No, it's NBY. Okay, that's what I got right now. I got it right now, brother. Hey, Michael. Oh, MX stock. Okay, I get it. I got it. I caught it, my friend. Thank you, Tess. Ali, what's up, brother? Alina, hey. Okay, that's good. Yeah, I don't own them, right? But I do want to get... there's different companies out there. I want to find the company that Future Whale's using, because obviously it's a good one, right? And I want to get that ad and paste your information on their ad, okay? On that Reddit group. It's actually Wall Street Breakers. It's my group. So what I want to do is the person that put that out there, and hopefully it's not the same company, because that will prove, because I just go off of research, right? Because I don't own them, right? I'm very transparent on that. I don't lie about that stuff. I want to catch them screwing around like this, because this would be perfect opportunity. It's an official document, it looks like, right? So it's funny, we were just talking about that. Remember we were just a half an hour talking about them messing documents up and bucking around on there, on Reddit. And if it is, I want to find out who it is because he's in my group. And that's what's happening with that shit, is all this fucking fake shit's coming out. And see, that's why I don't make videos. That's why I didn't make a video on it, because I didn't know that much about it, right? And I'm glad that there's some educated people on here. So I just wanted to look at this a little bit more, guys. Yeah, that's weird. Okay. Hey, Ken, what's your walkie-talkie set up? Hey, Ken. What happened was, oh yeah, the walkie-talkie stuff. I'll put you back onto. I'm gonna put you back onto AMC here. I was just looking at some other stocks. GME's down to GME, ticker symbol GME. GameStop is 184.53, 2.61 in the red. Okay, AMC is $37.80, 3.80 in the red. So yeah, they're still. I'm just gonna keep on going here because everything else has changed on the market. So ticker symbol CCL Carnival. Lines is $26.27, 0.47 in the red on that. Okay, Naked brand is 89 cents. It's 7% in the green on that. Right on, right on. Hey, how's it going? How's it going? And I'll discuss the walkie-talkie thing in a minute. Okay. Okay, Wolves. I'll discuss it in a minute here on that. I just wanted to go through this just because it's about time. I usually do it about this time when everything levels out a bit. Okay, AAL, American Airlines, $21.41, 0.23 in the red. Costs, $16.72, 0.80 in the red. Ticker symbol SU, Suncor Energy, $26.47, 0.15. That's a dividend stock. So you guys, if you didn't know, Air Canada, $23.79. Shit, went backwards. 2.34 in the red. Ticker symbol BB, BlackBerry, $12.45, 2.89 in the red. So that is the Canadian price. I know I said that every time, but it's a Canadian price, so it's take off roughly $1 or $2 and something. Okay, roughly, because it's depends on what the market exchange is today. MVIS, Microvision, is $11.93, 5.13 in the red on that. Ticker symbol CGC, Canopy Growth is $14.39, 2.18 in the red. SNDL, Sundial Growers is 69 cents, it's 4.10 in the red. Damn, everything that you guys got back yesterday just came out. I'm going to stop for a second. Sorry. I got to jump into Sundial here. Sorry, I just need to check something here. The hell? 73 cents hit pre-market. Weird. I don't like to see that, man, for you guys. I don't own any stake, but I know a bunch of you do, right? So, some crypto here. Dogecoin. Is 19 cents, 1.56 in the red. Oh yeah, the correction's continuing. This is nothing, guys, just so you guys know. And I know if you guys own, and you believe in the company and you're in long, you could be waiting a while. And when I say that, it's gonna go back up. And it's going to go back down lower, and it's going to go up. It's going to go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. It's going to be really weird for the next till after these things squeeze all these little stocks, or these stocks. I shouldn't say little. These meme stocks are down there, little shit. Okay, so I'll continue and then I'll get into a little bit there. Ticker symbol ADA, Cardano is $2 and $2 right across the board pretty much. It's 2.9 or 2.87 in the red. So ticker symbol BTC is $41,482, is 2.57 in the red. ETH, Ethereum, is $2,858, is 3.0 in the red. Okay, on that one, on the crypto there, guys, I know you guys probably know this stuff because you've been watching it for a while, and that it's going to be like a little roller coaster here, okay? Like I said, crypto is the easiest thing to liquidate when banks or hedges or anybody gets in trouble. If you have a crypto, that's why crypto is one of the better things to have, right? It's being more recognized and more recognized, even by myself, right? I was totally kind of against it, but didn't understand it. But it's easy to access to get money to sell immediately if you have to on the market, right? It goes 24 hours a day. You know what I mean? And you get that price when you log. It's not like on a stock where at nighttime it goes to a certain price, you sell it, and whenever the order's executed, you could go up or down. You know what I'm saying? Because I've lost lots of money doing that. Okay, and that's what I want. So if you're long on it, hold long, right? Because it'll always go back up. It might even go higher than it was before because a lot of people are going to be buying in the next bit, right? Including myself. I'm going to be dumping a lot of money on this when it goes to after the squeeze, after the fire sale. When the fire sale happens, okay? It's going to be across the board. We might even have a worse than the 2008. It might be worse than the 2008 crises, okay? We don't know. Nobody knows what it will be, right? But those hedge funds and the banks are just as bad as the hedge funds, I'm finding. They got their little feelers and tentacles wound around every friggin' stock on the planet of some kind of little play or manipulation on it, okay? Okay. I woke up this morning 50 grand richer. What's up, Cam? Hey, how you doing, bud? How you doing? Okay. Good morning, Wolf Pack. Felix, good morning, brother. Good morning, bro. Finally, I had a Fidelity International Market reps sell my stock. Went dead for 4 months and sold it and bought another. Yeah. Sanjay, what's up? Peace and love. How you doing, man? Did you sleep in this morning? I'm just bugging you. Okay, so I'm just going to jump off of this here and put you back onto some AMC. Yeah, I just, my whole portfolio went from not bad to totally red. CD, good morning. Good morning. You support that wolf pretty good, man, beside your name. I noticed it right away. Right on, brother. Okay, so, there's something I was, walkie-talkies, that's right. I'm gonna wake up here in a minute. So, the thing with the walkie-talkies, we were having problems. Citizen was a fine gentleman to do this for the channel, because I was doing a live stream, right? And I was already being rude to some of the people that aren't even fucking interested in the walkie-talkie, because there's probably people that are that aren't, right? And I gotta think about that too, right? I can't just be very opinionated, like, oh, everybody wants to be part of this, I'll force them into it by talking about it. That's why I broke away from it a bit, and I really appreciate you doing that. Jay, how you doing? So yeah, I just went about the walkie-talkie thing there. We were having issues on it. Manjita actually noticed it, and she sent me a snapshot of her phone because she didn't understand what it was saying on the screen, the message on the walkie-talkie. So what it was actually saying, in a way, it was saying that it was full, like the channel was full on that channel, that it wasn't allowing her to go on it. There was an error code, right? So the problem with that is it only allows you a certain amount of people on there. So I couldn't find anything on it, and I'm on the channel on that walkie-talkie. Chris, are you on here? If you are, Chris, if you're not busy, my friend, that walkie-talkie app that you found, is there any way to go on there and find out how much it is for the membership, and find out, and sorry I always ask you what to do, but you're really good at that stuff, man. To find out a couple different things. If that subscription is monthly, how much it is. Is it a reoccurring payment, one-time fee? Obviously, I just asked that, but in a different way of question. If it's a one-time fee, is it good for like the lifetime of that app, or do we have to keep on paying for it? Price, and then what's the maximum amount of people you can have on one channel? Okay, thank you, my friend. If you'll do that, and if not, if you're not even on here, brother, would somebody else mind doing that for me while I'm doing a live feed? Would be awesome. Just wait a minute, because Christopher could be on here. Okay, so anyways, thanks for bringing that up, because we do need that. We do need that. And that'll be only for subs, okay? Strictly. And there's a way of doing it just to get the subs on there, okay? Because it is what it is. Because we're going to be talking about we're going to be talking the real shit, okay? We're going to be talking about the numbers, the percentages, and what we're doing in my plays. I'm going to be doing it live, okay, on that thing. So I'll be doing the channel live, but I have a mute button I can just hit, right? And then just whatever. We'll figure it out, right? So, anyways, and I think they'll take a lot of stress away from you guys too, because yeah, I know what you guys are going through, right? So, okay, I'm gonna go back to just holding half of my shares and still holding half of my shares. Okay, whoa, okay. So, bro, are you still able to drop the price with everything that has been? Okay, whoa, just hang on, I gotta go back up there. Okay, is the government gonna raise the debt ceiling? Free? I don't know that stuff, my friend. I think somebody else can answer that on the channel for you, my friend. You have to remember, I'm Canadian. What I would be reading is news stuff. So I don't, you know how accurate the news is, right? So I know when it's not my area. So, does somebody want to help free out? Or maybe somebody already did answer it? I don't know. Okay, so just because I'm way up the list now, looking for okay. Robert. Bro, how are they still able to drop the price with everything that has been? Who knows, man? Who knows? Who knows how they're doing this? Oh, I know. No, I do know how. Duh. There's a couple different ways that they're doing because it's the same shit. It's that dark pool, straight up, right? It's between that and the ladder attacks aren't happening as much. They're just happening in spurts, okay? But the reason why they're only happening in spurts is because there's no shares on the market, right? It's really easy to drop the price. Really easy because there's no volume going in there, right? Even what we're seeing up here is nothing. Depends on the day. There depends if we have a low day with volume. Obviously, they don't put through that much through the dark pool, okay? And you can call it shelving the shares. There's a whole bunch of different terminology you can call it, okay? So we know 100% that's what's happening, okay? So it's not speculation anymore. We know that for 100% sure. And I don't know how long it's going to take, my friend. I don't know. I wouldn't, if I know that I don't know, then I'm not going to tell you an answer. Like, I'm not going to be that, there's enough of that bullshit going around. Okay. I don't have an answer at all. I don't know if it's going to be before Christmas. I don't know if it's going to be next month. I don't know, guys. I'm in the same category as you, and when I find out, I'll tell you. Okay, if I ever find out, but I'm pretty sure we'll all find out at the same time, or we might never find out. One day we'll wake up and it'll be, like I said, you'll know in pre-market. It'll happen in pre-market. Okay, I'm almost positive on that. Okay. Because they're going to start covering on, they're not going to want to do it on open market, but when it hits open market, they're going to have their pants down, okay? Because it's going to be a battle with the institutions pre-market, and then FOMO's going to hit, and then Gamma, and bam, we're in it. We're going to have to get higher than this. We're going to have to get up, what are we at right now? 37, so 100% would be, well, we're going to round it to 40, so 100% would be 80. We need about 120% more, around there, if not a little bit higher, before they'll even start covering. In my opinion. And you have to remember, the hedge funds are not like us, because they're not like us. At least we have morals and emotions and feelings. We're not detached. We're human. But there's so many of them, and there's so many firms, so many banks, and same as us, we all have different personalities. It's like saying we're all going to buy and sell at the same time our stocks. No, everybody does their own thing. They have different plays, they have different times, different everything, right? So it's same with the hedge funds and the banks and all the people, the big wigs that are into this, the whales and stuff. They are going to be covering at different times. Some hedge funds will have more money. Some will be waiting longer. Same as some will be waiting on the squeeze longer to $1 million. You know what I mean? there's going to be some stupid hedge funds too. They're going to wait until they are bankrupt, right? And it is what it is, right? So they're going to cover at different times. But I think around that area, up in that percentage I just said, give or take 50% is a lot of money, okay? That's a lot of money. So there you go. That's my take on it. Does that help you guys? Okay, good. Okay, you got some information on here. Okay. Yes. Oh, Vin. Yes. Oh, Christopher, you're here. Yes, Vin. They know. Here's how they know. Okay, they know that. Okay, there's information that came out on GME. Okay, and I seen it actually happen. I did the research myself, and that's right when I opened a YouTube channel. It was around that information right there. Pretty much that and a couple other things. Okay, GEM. Okay, GME. It's backwards today. Wow. Let's start calling it different. GME. Let me have a sip of coffee. When it hit, you know your orders. That's why I made those videos saying take off your upper limits. Okay, there's different apps have different stuff. Okay, you know those limits that you can set because they're called different names and stuff. I'm just going to explain what it is and then you'll relate. Okay, the indicator that you can set or an alarm or actually you can make it. It can actually do stuff for you, right? It can actually do physical transfer. Okay, or sell. So when you set your limit, your upper limit, your sell limit, whatever you want to call it, on your phone or app, say if you have it set for $200, let's use $200 because that's what happened with GME. We noticed a drop. Okay, if you have that set, or some of them are on default, and you don't set it for mine doesn't have it, and I looked, and my one does have it, and I have it unlimited. That unlimited sign like this. When it hits that number, they have figured out that at even numbers that the human mind most of the people go to even numbers when they do stuff. Okay, so like 50, 60, or 50, like the bigger chunks, like 50, 100, 150, 200. Okay, they figured that out. Okay, not that that really matters, right? But if you have those limits on there, your stock will sell. The reason why we know this is because it happened twice on GameStop. Okay, when it hit the 200, if you look on the chart, when it hit the 200 for the first time, it went 200 and dropped like a substantial amount. Everybody said, "What the hell? Who the hell would be selling? Like that's crazy." It was on a rip. It didn't do anything. Like there was nothing changed, and then all of a sudden, down. What happened is some of these apps and people never thought it was going to go to that price, right? And had their sell limit set on that, okay, and a lot of them it was on Wall Street, or not Wall Street. It was on the very first Wall Street, the actual app on Reddit, the big one, you know, the one that started all this shit, was on there under a couple categories, and people were like showing what they had in their account down to like it was cashed out, no shares left, right? So that's why I made a video on a couple of videos. That's what I'm talking about when I'm talking about that, okay? To go and check those settings out. Most likely, there's so many apps and so many different stuff. It's just worth it to go check it, and if it's worth even a call to find out if there is anything like that on there. So yes, they've seen that happen at that price before, like 204. They've seen those sell drops, and yes, they can tell roughly. Okay, does that help your questions there? They know around those prices that people will think about selling and all that. It's just human nature, right? Nature of the beast. Okay, I want to make sure I answered the hedges. Figure out where the left something and then trigger them. Yeah, that's right. Oh, and then trigger an automatic sell-off. I don't know about that. I don't know about that one. Okay, I was just reading the end of the question. I know that your apps can be set. I'm just going on what I know. The factual information is that what I've seen is the apps itself that they might be on the default setting, or they've been set and were never changed. Okay, that's what I've seen. So I only can answer half your question there, Ben. Okay. Oh, hedges can be okay. Never mind. Yes, I did answer. I thought right around. And it's up to you if you want to set it, right? I personally wouldn't, because if you're working, that's up to you what you want to do, right? But don't sell yourself short. Yeah, you guys are buying somewhere. Yes, I have no focus on stop loss in place. Okay, you guys said yes, and folks, you guys have okay in AMC. Okay. Yeah, free. Oh, wow. Free? Are you serious? You own 587 shares? I remember when you only had a couple. Yeah. Yeah, see? Yeah, you pretty much is the same thing. Like they can't see your phone, but they can just go off of like what happened in the past, like GM, like they know like the number frame roughly. You know what I'm talking about, man. You know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I finally come up to go. Okay, DTC. Okay, I'm missing something. The squeeze is going to happen. A future whale here. This is from him. Quarter to 7. It says that the filings of the IRM program under DTCC made in a minor volume situation. Raphael, good morning. 18% CARV. Just make sure you guys check that stuff on your phone, though. Okay, seriously. That did hit a couple people. I'm not going to mention the name. Well, I don't think they're on here today, but it did. I know a couple of people that happened to. Okay, they phoned me panicking. I don't know. I don't think so, my friend. Okay, sorry, I'll reread that. Can the government set up a temp? Okay, and private exchange just for GM and shareholders and hedge funds to lock out the FOMO? That'd be hard to do, I think, man, because that's like okay, okay, look at this stock. We'll use this one for an example. Ticker symbol SNOA. It's at 32%. It's at $7. Okay, that's cheap. As in my eyes. For some people that's really expensive, right? For some stock, depends, right? For a play, it's at 33%. If I had if it was in my mind that I wanted to jump in on that and just jump in now, that's FOMO, right? I'm seeing it go up and jump in, right? So I don't know how that would be I don't know how they would do that. If you guys figure out a way, tell me if you think of something. That'd be weird. Right? But we kind of then we kind of, in my eyes, I want the FOMO on AMC and GME, right? I don't own any GME, right? I don't at all, and I never have. But I cover it for you guys, and I've used it. I use it as a template because it's the only thing that's close enough to AMC and the movements and the prediction, and the same people are pretty much in on it. The same, not the same person, like I don't own any, but the same type of people, like same hedge funds, and it just seems to be, it's a good prototype to use for a lot of the stuff. That's where I got this at the 200, 400 or range, where the sell up, where the dips were and all that shit. Strange things have happened to activate. Okay, does that answer your question, Van? This is a couple times this morning. No movement on the price, but sell orders piling in. It's getting warm in here. Oh, guys, I got the window closed. Just give me a second. If you guys hear the rain on the road, just tell me if it's too loud, okay, guys? Okay. Oh, okay, Ed. That's weird. Good morning, Angel. Oh, you must be making some good cake, brother. Rander AA is asking apes to register their shares for the meeting. Again? How many times does he need them registered? Oh, fuck. Sorry, guys. Oh. Oh, remember. Oh, like as in before. Oh, okay, I didn't read the first part. Yeah, the dark pool, right? Yeah. Yeah, that's yeah. Well, we want FOMO. I'm just reading your guys' stuff here, guys. Why is the market red? Okay, I caught up to Manjeet here. I was just reading Vin's stuff there. So yeah. I just want to... Yeah. Weird. Good, Angel. I'm proud of you, bud. I know, I'm very happy of all of you, but that you called that play, man, right to the T, dude. That's some good shit. I've been following you, dude. I watched it first thing this morning, and when you guys mentioned something in it, because you have to remember when you mention stuff like that, and I see it, and the numbers are going up, stuff like, of course I'm into that stuff, right? Yeah, it's stuck at 37 selling orders. We're piling up. It did it, and a little higher, and all of a sudden started trading at the... No, they don't want FOMO, Vin. No, no, no. They don't want FOMO. Fuck no. They're trying to control it 100%. Oh, dude, you've nailed it. Oh, for sure. They've been doing that for a while. Really, Ed? I'm glad you brought that up. Yeah, they don't want FOMO, but there is they do shelf order. I just had to think about the correct wording. They do shelf orders. Okay, it's you can call it a couple different things. A second, third book. They're delaying orders. They can delay them for a while. That's the payment for order flow problem that they have. Okay. They've been doing it for a long time, right? And they've been doing it. They got caught doing it. Yeah, that's what the payment for order flow. It's being supposedly investigated right now. I know Ed. What was it? I've been noticing some strange shit too. Well, you remember when I was talking about it earlier about? Remember when I pulled those two charts? Those two charts in after hours, it went crazy, and then those two charts, the sell-off was exactly the same. See, that's how they're making their money. They're doing these planned things. We don't have part of it, but it fucks us though, because it fucks paper traders, because like that's bait. They're throwing bait out there. When you jump on in the morning and you're looking at the volume, because that's the shit. That's what you look. Volume news and volume news. Those are the two ones I look at, right? And of course, what the previous days were, right? But that's the main stuff: the volume and news and the time frame, and before your entry in the morning. Okay, so you see it going up, and then wham, it always sells off. That will only makes them rich, and it fucks day traders. Okay, those two plays this morning screwed a lot of people over. Just so you know. Wow, good questions this morning, guys. Oh, sorry, mine. You know when you go do a workout, well, mine's an entry, but I was sore from quadding and doing all that exercise on my neck. But you know when a couple days after you're twice as sore? That's what I'm going through right now. Okay, we're at a standstill right now. Sorry, I seen you, Christopher. I seen you go, yes, way up here. I just caught that now. Sorry, bud. I'm here. Did you hear what I was asking? I do have time to do it myself now, I guess. About those walkie-talkies, my friend, about is there a subscription that we could get? Is it a one-time fee, or do we pay monthly? I'll make sure you're on here first still before I go through it all again. And if not, I can do it. I got time right now. Now, I just had to catch up to you guys. Okay, so I'm just going to look through some stuff here. Well, we got time. Why is the whole market red? Well, we got some things against us. Just going to have a closer look here, Manjeet. Let's have a close look at the world here. Oh yeah, see a red. Okay, whoops, wrong chart. That I wanted to look at that one too, but I'm looking for that. The whole world's red, pretty much. So the tech division, electronics, tech shit. I call it tech. Is almost all red. Consumers all red. The gas industry is fucking hot right now. Oil and gas. Department stuff. Weird. Okay. I was looking at this for Manjeet here. I was just seeing, I was actually checking it out to see what was actually happening because I haven't had time this morning. Yeah, looks like a huge correction. But you guys said that also a couple days ago I asked stimulus, no more stimulus checks, right? Because I know up here we're done. That will have a huge play because all that money coming in was like a lot of people were putting in the market. I even noticed that. As soon as the first check came out, it was crazy. That's when you started seeing all these little. That's when you seen all these like stocks go up, right? All these meme stocks. That's when that all started. Excuse me. Shit, crypto's gone down almost double again. Some of these were at like 0.5. They're down 3% now. But that's we already knew that was gonna happen. Okay, I just gotta check out my divvy stocks here. I just want to check out something I haven't had time while you guys. Oh yeah, is Chris here yet? Still no. Does anybody else want to do that? Since I think he's busy right now. Does anybody have time right now to look that up for us? You know the app that we were using for the walkie-talkie. Okay, Van, that's good to know because I don't have access to that stuff. Only targeted stimulus for elderly. Okay, that'll make a huge difference on the market. Yeah, thanks, bro. Yeah, for the walkie-talkie, that app we were using, is there any way to find out if there's a subscription on it? And if there is, obviously there is. If it's monthly or a recurring payment, or is it a one-time fee? And how many people can we have on the channel then? Or is it like... Is it locked to a certain amount of people? Can anybody find that out? It should be under the description under the app. Thank you. I can look for it. Yeah, I'll wait for a message, and if not, then I can look for it. It's just I don't want to do that because I'm trying to do this, right? But it's all good. We're kind of slow right now today, anyways. Okay, I'm just gonna bounce on these big ones today because I'm just very intrigued by this one stock, man. That's insane. It's up 1,400 plus percent. Yeah, that was fucking, somebody planned that. This stock has low, only 2 million. Okay, anyways. Rolls Royce. Rolls Royce, Rolls Royce is. I hope none of you got in on that and got, or I hope you got in and got out. That's what I meant to say. It's gone down. It was par like about 20 minutes ago. It's gone down 3.18. I remember when. Oh, wrong one. Yeah, 3.81. That was the one above it. I remember when this was just well, it's still a penny stock, but well, I class it as when it was cheap, like 80 cents. Actually, I'm gonna jump on this because I'm just gonna have a look here, guys. There's nothing else to do. I'm waiting for some questions to pop up. Has a connection to Tesla. So I just want to look at this for a minute, guys. Yeah, because I went back. Was it? Low, high. It was lower than that. Yeah, I was okay. That makes more sense. I was thinking it was lower than that. Okay, it was at 58 cents year to date. I remember when it was 80 cents. Wow. Okay, M has a connection to Tesla. What's the, yeah, Vin, do they, what's the connection? I would love to know. Like, do they, it's a metal company, material company. What do they build? Do they build stuff obviously for Tesla? What the hell is this? Because this company's done all right, eh? It's gone from 46 cents in the last year up to 20, or went up to 21 and then down to 6. It's been a really roller coaster ride, right? Apple's down even today too. Everything is, yeah. You're so right, Manjeet. I'm just looking at everything. SPY. Let's check the SPY out here. Yeah, SPY's, well, that's, yeah, it's down a little bit. 434.93, 1.77 in the red. Okay, I'm gonna bump back to AMC here. Clove is $7.68, 5.19 in the red on that. Sorry guys to see that. I know a lot of you, well, not a lot, there's quite a bit that hold stake in that. They're just hoping it'll go somewhere near to where they used to have money, that they can just get right out of that fucking position. It Rolls Royce, proud, is it? They stay busy. Yeah, man. That, like I said, that they were only a while ago. They were only like 80 cents, man. Well, lower than that, but when I seen it was 80 cents. They're like some 50 something when they first, a year ago. Oh, that will be pulled in 5G and access in. Oh, there you go. That's good to know. See, that news pays off if you know this stuff. If you get the good news feed, can make a big difference. I'm not seeing a ticker move, but I see all kinds of orders being filed. It appears something is up. Everyone else seeing it? Okay, let's watch here. I'll pull up two different scanners here for you. Okay, a 1 minute chart. Okay, we're gonna blow this up. I know some of you guys don't like it because it's too big, but I do want to watch that. Okay, I'm gonna read your question again. I'm not seeing my ticker move, but I see all kinds of orders being filled. It appears something is up. Anyone else see this? Okay, Ed, what are you using for your scanner? Your stock scanner. What are you using? What company? Okay, what do we see at 4%? Okay, I'm looking at the volume. I'll hit refresh just to be sure. I don't see any. I got no volume movement at all. Well, a little bit. It's slow. You're right, it is slow, but you're not seeing anything. MC, good morning, brother. Oh, not a problem. I love that stuff. I'm like a master at that shit, dude. At that Android box stuff. That's a crazy, eh? Not a problem, buddy. Not a problem. It's crazy. I never tested it out in the States before, bro. What does a cable package like that cost in the States? Because I know you guys got like for HBO, A&E, all those, the Star movie package. How much does that cost in the States? Because it's free for you, as you see. I just wanted to know how much it was, because I don't have access to that stuff, right? Up here, without we don't have Star, but we have stuff equal to it. Just the basic package up here, depends on who you go through, is about 50, 60 bucks, 50 bucks a month, okay? It's 30, but then taxes and that. If you get the HBO package on top of it, you're looking at another probably 10, 15 bucks, if not higher, depends on who you're with. You're looking at about, with Cablevision, you're looking about 80 to 100 bucks a month for everything except like the specialty movie channels. Like that's a high-end package. And it depends on who you're with, give or take 20 bucks. It's about 100 bucks. So $1,200 a year. And it's free, right? I haven't paid for Cablevision for 6 years now. So it saves the average person, if you order movies, because as you know, the movies at the theater and all that's free. You don't go to the movie theater ever. Well, if you want to, you can. That's up to you, but I do a little bit just to get out of the house, but like, you know what I mean? Like what movie we were watching last night? Cinderella? Candyman. It was in 1080p, right? It was really good quality. So, anyways, can you set it up? Can you still get Second City Television? What do you I don't know what that is, my friend. Is that a channel, my friend? I don't know on that. I don't know it. Mine is wired to the TD. Okay, Tess. Yeah, okay. Almost fucking choked. It's $100 to $150 American. Holy fuck. Whoa. Holy shit. Wow. I thought it'd be cheaper, man. Just because you guys are, bigger and stuff, right? More competition. Well, I'm glad that I could do that for you, man. That'll save you guys a lot of fucking money. It saves about, saves the average person, well, without movie rentals, about, well, at that price, $150, that's $1,500, that's fucking almost $2,000, say if you order some movies too. $2,000 a year. It saves you $2,000 a year, man. And yeah, wow. Okay, sorry. Go ahead. I'll stop. I'm just tripping out on that. I did not know, but now we know that that my GeoBlock software worked. Listening to your family's voice, happy like that, it really made my day, man. MC, you got a beautiful family. Just so you know, you already know that, but it looks like normal on my other platform. Okay, Tess. Excuse me. Okay, looks how bar. Okay, hey brother, I sent you an email last night. Dang. Most here in California don't really subscribe to cable anymore. Some sub to like Hulu, which is about $80. $80 a month for that? That's like a company that just you can buy different packages off, yeah, right? That's crazy. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm looking into that. Man, friend. Yeah, not a problem, MC. Not a problem, man. So at least we know it works. Down there, it'll definitely, because you live in I can't pronounce. I don't know how to pronounce your first name wrong. I'm gonna call you. I'm gonna call you TN because I just don't want to be rude. I always do the abbreviation like that because I don't like to say people's names wrong. It's disrespectful in my eyes. It'll work in California. We just tested. I forget where you. Oh yeah, I know where MC's from. Stealing. Don't you say that? Did you say that the stop the debt ceiling will help AMC? It wasn't me, Mr. Al. Felix, not a problem. Just email me. You have my email, right? Email me, not a problem, my friend. And like, yeah, I just want to go off on this because you have a majority of people asking now, obviously. Okay, Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, all of that stuff, it's all free. Okay, you don't pay for it. They're just different apps. There's just apps that have, there's like, with all the languages, like over 20,000 channels, okay? And depends on how many languages you speak. That's not all English. That's like, probably more than that. I'm just estimating low. Citizen? Okay, what can you get on the box? Okay, guys. I'm gonna answer these questions. I usually don't like, just because it is off topic, but we have a majority of people asking now about it. So I'm gonna take a break. There's just 5 minutes here to answer questions on it, just because. Okay, there's no monthly fee. We used to do a monthly fee. It's illegal, okay, because it's taken off a public domain, public network. Okay, if you charge for it, the channels are registered, like HBO and stuff. You're making money off their channels. Okay, that's illegal. If you give the channel away for free, it's not illegal. Okay. The channels that we get pretty much almost all the Canadian channels. Anything that you get usually on your cable package through your provider, and correct me if I'm wrong, because the last time I lived in the States when I was allowed to go there I was 16 years old and I'm 45 now. Things have changed over there. The thing is MC, correct me if I'm wrong. Does it get pretty much, well, I know it gets more than what's on Cablevision. I know that for a fact. But does it get all your extreme package cable channels? Because you would know that I don't want to give wrong information out. Yeah, Sanjay, know exactly how many channels can you watch. Well, it's different languages too, my friend. And like all you get movies, you can get movies in the theater, out of the theater. You can't download them. I'm going to give you the gist of it. You download them, you're screwed. Okay, it's a federal offense. The UK is really bad. If you get caught with an Android box over there and caught downloading stuff, it is jail time automatically. I know that for a fact. A friend of mine was actually incarcerated for it. But he also had a store too, so I don't know what was involved. I just know that, yes, it's awesome. So it gets everything. Okay. There you go, guys. Just because I don't know what channels you guys get. So there you guys go about it. So the thing is it's set up. I have, there's different apps in there, okay? So if one app, it has movies and Cablevision channels, right? If it doesn't, say for instance, A&E doesn't work, okay? Or in bad quality. You just go to another app. It comes with like 6 backups, or as many as you want to put in there, right? So it's a revolving door. Like, and if one app goes down and it needs an update, you just erase it and go to the store and install another one. It's like Google Play, like that. You catch me if you can, Sanji. Yeah, exactly. VPN. So yeah, there's the gist of it on there. And Just every country's different. You just downloading's the number one no. Downloading anything on it. And it comes with a VPN preloaded, free VPN for life. Okay, it's already has it all installed. Okay. So, anyways, if you guys wanted any information on it and stuff like that, and just so you know, check where you're living for that laws. I know that because I'm selling it where I am, they're not illegal. Okay, they passed some laws about 2 years ago about the downloading content shit on it. So it is what it is. It's use at your own discretion. Okay, when I sell it, it's legal, but you can also alter it. Okay, I'm just telling you guys that right now, that it is what it is. So I will send you, if you don't have my email, you can just send it, and what we do is you just do the payment and it's sent. Talk to me first before you send any payments or anything, because if it's in the States, shit. I'm gonna send you an email, MC. Just email me, guys. Okay. Oops, wrong one. Just check your email in a minute. And then we'll get back onto stocks here, guys. So there you guys go. If you want, and we do ship worldwide, okay. And there you go. There's your. There it is. And I won't disclose a price on here because I don't. It's irrelevant, and I don't share that information privately, because there's other people on here now. I can see there's about 15 people that aren't even subs watching right now. So. It is private information. If you want to send me that, I'll find out who you are, and we'll go from there. I'll pin this to the top, and there it is. It's pinned, and you guys go. Okay. Do you use I just rebooted and still have them. Oh, okay. So, anyways, we'll go back onto here. I'll zoom that down a bit here, and we'll get back on the stocks here, guys. Thank you for your time. I know some of you aren't interested in the shit. You're like, fuck the stock channel. But as you guys know, it's more than that. It's like the family channel. We do everything, right? You guys know that. Okay. Okay, let's get right over here. Oh, wow. Shit. I was hoping to come back to something. I was hoping you guys go, when you don't look at the camera, when you don't look at the channel, it goes up. So there you go. GME is 182.51. So $182 and 3.59 in the red, unfortunately. AMC is at $37.67, 4.12%. Fuck. Stronger together. Thank you. I have a lot of shirts, guys, on there. You guys are the ones bugging me for the merch store. You know how long it took me to build that friggin' thing? And YouTube won't give us the merch store until we have 9,000 subs. So I went ahead and went through a private or a company to do it, a third-party company to do it. 101 shares. 101 shares. CS Trades 101. That's good. I like that. I caught that one. Okay. Stronger together. I like that one. That's awesome. That's good. I like that. I like that, bro. That's very solid. That's a very solid move. Okay. My friends. Naked is dumping. Let's have a look at Naked. Oh, I don't have it. I do have it on the other one, but it's easier. It's easier to just go like that. Oh, fuck, is it ever? Holy shit. Holy fuck. Wow. Oh, Angel, are you on here, bro? Ed, it can happen. It can happen. It can totally happen, my friend. I was having that problem. Remember a couple while ago with Weibo. This is the ladder attack, guys. I can see the. You guys want to see? That's a ladder attack. I'm gonna blow this right up for you. See this algorithm? This is their. See it levitating, going like this. That's what that is. Okay. That's exactly what we see before we see a ladder attack and through a ladder attack. Okay. See it bounce like that? That's messing with the algorithm. Okay, they're trying to fuck the algorithm. That's a good one, Tess, but yeah. The pack. No sniffing pack. Wow. Oh, it's done now. They're letting it. Yeah, they just did it for a bit there. I noticed it. I only catch little bits of it, eh? But yeah, when you see that and it just levitates like that, it's messed up. That's not. If you go back, if you could, well, some of these charts do it. But if you go back, like I do, like even on that, I have. Actually, I should put that up for you guys to make a video on it. If you go back a couple, like 3-4 years ago, and look at a stock screener, you don't see that shit like this. Okay, that's ever since all these apps and the phones have been putting this shit on there. That's all new. That's all new stuff. That stocks, they never did that shit like that. Not to that degree, like this bouncing, like vibrating shit. They go up, down like this in sweeps, or even slow sweeps like this, but. Okay, anyways, guys, I'm gonna have a look here. Okay, I'm gonna go naked's at 70 cents, 6.59. Keeps on changing so fast. In the red. Tesla, 780, 1.41% in the red. MMAT, $6.06, 0.41 in the red. Rolls Royce, I'm just going to sort through some sporadic ones here that were up high, now they're down, is $1.88. It's at 4.57%. Okay, that CEI, remember that one that was just fucking going nuts? Remember it was up really high? Is getting hammered on right now. It's getting attacked. It's at $2.69, $2.70, 0.7. It's all over 4% in the red. It's going up. Yeah. Wow. Holy shit. Wow, that's all over the place. Okay, let's have a look at some other stuff. Oof. Yeah, everything else is the same. Everything is pretty much the same. She's red. She's a red. Okay, I'm going to put it back on AMC unless you want me to look at something else. I feel for AMC investors, Cam. Only 3 months into this, and I'm trying to control my emotions, and it's real tough. Oh yeah, dude, I do every day. I'll usually have a story attached to it too. Not a problem. Thanks though, bro. Not a problem. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's crazy. It is. Yeah, that's why I always say go for a walk, or like not line watch, or go spend time. I try to do as much as I can, and I mean it too. I'm not just saying it like because, right? That's why I'll tell you guys, go visit family, call somebody a marriage. Oh, Ed. I use TD, but I think it's totally, it's the same company but different. I don't have that screener, and I think I have to have an account up here to do it, to look at it, my friend. Oh, amateur. See you all tomorrow. All bye. Oh, are you leaving us, bro? Try another stock screener, bro. But that sucks. Yeah, especially if you were selling. I'd be concerned about that. I'm going to try calling them and see. But yeah, Ed, you have a good one, my friend. Take her easy, brother. I can't choose. Oh, I'm seeing with Ameritrade. Oh, you're stressing out, brother. Oh, man. I feel for you, bro. I'd be stressed out, too. Shit. Can't trust what he's seeing with Ameritrade. Fuck. He's stressing out. Oh, brother. Oh, he's probably into a couple plays. Oh, fuck it. Oh, he's probably doing a fucking trying to make money on a... I know what he's doing. No, I'd be fucking pissed. Yeah. Sorry to hear that, brother. Yeah, he's probably trying to make money on some plays right now, and that's fucking him. That's why he was asking us if we see the same thing. Just gonna go back. Yeah, and he was trying to get my attention. I was giving it to him though. Yeah, he's been asking, pushing. I'm just rebooting and still having. Oh yeah, fuck, he's pissed. Oh yeah, I'm reading his comments though. I'm just going back, my friends. I'm just out of respect here. Oh fuck yeah, he's eating it. Yeah, I must have some huge plays in it. Oh, Proud, are you still on here, my friend? I didn't answer your question. Does the box, the Android box, get local channels? Where are you from, my friend, to begin with? I won't answer that question until I find out where you're from. 90% of the time, yes. As of local news, like for the county, no. Okay. For the like the all the states, like if you want states news, yes, of course. So there's your question. Like I can't get Vancouver Global TV. I can't get it. Or yeah, I think I can. But it's only comes on one channel, right? So it's just hard to get sometimes, right? So I'd say a no. Download the Weed Best Drop app saying it's free. Yeah. Vin. You're funny, bro. I'm just reading your guys' comments. That's funny. Vin. The crypto killer is in the house. All I need to buy and hold, repeat, and buy and sell and what you feel comfortable. That's true, yeah. Download the wheel. Yeah. That's what I got is Weeble right down, my friend. Yeah, he's not having problem with the screen. He was asking us if he's seeing the same thing. Probably he's just using his phone and to download stuff. I think he's in the middle of a couple plays, some serious plays, right? Some I call them smash and grabs, right? Some smash and grabs. He's probably smashing some money in there and grabbing it when it gets high, right? So that would screw with you, especially when you're fucking seeing shit and it's locking, the screen's locking, you don't know what the price, and then we're telling him what the price is and he's like, what the hell? That's probably what's happening. I feel for him, man. I've had it happen, but I should have told him fucking record it on the screen recorder. Shit. He's gone now. Ed, if you're still on there, fire your AZ screen recorder, man, and record that, dude. Because you have, if you have a case there, they will reimburse you, especially a bank. Okay. Any other questions, my friends? Do you guys want to talk about, what do you want to talk about? I'm at a point right now where I'm just going to write up an email, but you guys ask me, it'll take a couple seconds to come through. I'm just going to blast out an email here. I got a couple of emails of substantial now coming in. Yeah. I'm just going to do some DD here on some stuff, looking some stuff up. Just fire your questions away, and I will look the stuff up if you want me to do that. If you guys want to talk about something. Outlook. Felix, are you on there? I think you are. Outlook. Like Outlook, the app Outlook, like on your computer, the app Outlook, like you can look, yeah. You know what I'm talking about? Is that what you're asking? Okay. Or is it a thing? Yeah, you know what I'm talking about, my friend. They showcase. Okay, that's cool. Thanks, Sneaky Boy. You know who you are. Thank you for that info. I'll look. It helps me do research. Okay. Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. Seriously, you are. Okay, Tom. I'll get back to you. I'm just in here right now. Okay. Thanks for putting the AK. Hey, that does help me. Okay, I'll answer all you guys just after the feed, the information feed here. I'm just going to give me a second. Okay, I'll go back to your questions right now. Right now. Okay. Download. Okay, we already talked about that. Cam must have said take a walk. Well, that's what I was hinting, right? To go, yeah, but not in that way. Like, beat it. No. Like to take a cool down and go talk on the phone and get that dealt with, man. Like, yeah. No, we've been friends for a while, man. Yeah. Feel from. I really bought 400 shares of Fidelity. Yeah. I can't count that high. Good for you, brother. Good for all of you, man. And just, I know you. I know there's I don't know the amount. Well, I sort of do, but if you, I'm not going to put a number on it. The amount of shares you own doesn't make the person you are. It doesn't make you any less inferior on the channel. And I just want to be very clear. I look at everybody the same. Okay. Because I don't want some people that in the back office just hanging out, or somebody that just doesn't gets upset or anything about that. It is what it is, okay? I want to explain something to you about low shares, okay? You have a couple more advantages of somebody that has a lot, okay? There's a couple more ways you can use those to your advantage, okay? And also what you bought them at always. So I'm just trying to enlighten it to boost you a bit, right? Because we're having a bad day on the stock market, and that's what friends are for. Okay, I don't know amount or any. We're not going to go to an amount because we don't need. That's irrelevant. Okay, if you have a lower amount of shares, you can hold for longer because you don't have. Depends what you bought them. You don't have a huge overhead. Okay. When you own a lot of shares, you have a lot of money invested. And yes, you can make a lot of money if you sell at the right time, or you can fucking lose it all and now you're really screwed, okay? It doesn't matter if you own 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, okay? The more you own, the more you're in debt because you paid for it. Your account, it's out of your account. It's not your money now, okay? You are now waiting to do its process, okay? I just want to just explain this, and I know you probably already know this, but just because I own shares all over the place, right, on my portfolio, and I'm very transparent on that. So in my plays that I own a smaller stack of shares, if I'm waiting for a play, I'm not going to be stressing, oh, fuck, I got to pay all that back. Like I'm 20, 30 grand in debt right now, right? I got to do this. I got to sell it this, because you got so much on it. Maybe you have a loan out or something like that. When you own a smaller amount of shares and it's like, fuck it, that's nothing. That's nothing. The money doesn't infringe your life at all. But the money you can make is huge, okay? So you can hold to higher brackets, okay? You can hold to 4 to 5 times higher than we can in a lot of plays, okay? And I know this for a fact, okay? And yes, you can lose it all and it's the same thing, but it's not, I'm talking about the capital that you put in it, okay? You didn't have to sell your leg to get into it, okay? For me, I might not hold to the highest extreme possible and gamble higher. I might pull out of my position earlier. I'll be comfortable and I'll be set in my eyes because I pull greed off the table. What I'm saying, with a smaller amount, you can be more greedy, okay? Because you don't have all the overhead. If you lose it, you lose it. You're not going to fuck yourself totally. Everybody's different. Everybody looks at money different. Every month, there's contributing factors into the play, of course. But I'm just saying that overall, I was actually talking to a friend about this. That I'm going to disclose who it is, like not name. His name is Bill. Okay, and he's not on the channel. He's a friend of mine. And hi, Bill. He watches my stuff. Right. He's one of my good friends. He only owns 5 shares. Okay. 5. I don't know if he bought any yesterday. He did own 5. I don't know if he's bought any more, right? Just because the prices are really high and he doesn't have much money. He has kids and stuff, right? So those 5, he's like, oh man, I only own 5 shares. And I'm like, stop it, right? I said, those 5 shares, you can hold until the highest it goes, man. And of course he's in the same, we don't know how it's going to go. But you can hold and cash out at a higher level because you can gamble longer, right? And well, I'm still not gonna make as much money as you. And I said, well, you don't know that, right? And but the numbers, it doesn't make sense. You don't like it. There's nothing compared to that. And I said, yeah, but I can lose it all, like not all of it, but in a different bracket. I said, but yours, for the amount you put in, can be a life-changing event. Okay, with that money that you make, it might not be the same amount with zeros on the end. But you can take that money and put it into another play and make even more. Compared to you, it got you peanuts to get in there, right? You didn't have to sell your leg to get in there, right? And you're under way less stress than me. He's like, shit, you're right. And I said, there you go. So there you go. And it's easier to sell too. It's easier to sell a smaller amount. Okay, you got less. Okay, there you guys go. Okay, Cam. Okay, I'm going to go back up here. There's a bunch of shares, questions that came in. Okay, good day, Vinman. Okay, okay, I just read that. Cam, do you think or know if General Dynamics GD ticker? I don't know anything about that, Proud. I'll look into it in a minute when I read all this. I asked you before, but you gave the wrong name. Okay, I don't know that one. I gave the wrong name. I don't know anything about that, but we'll look into it myself. Like with me, like ourselves. We'll look into it. Gave the wrong name because I don't know what it is. You mentioned it a couple times. Sorry about that. You own about the same amount of shares as me, my friend. And I don't know because we don't know how high it's gonna go, right? And the one thing is $1 million shares. Well, yeah, 1 million shares, $1 million. Well, that would only have to go to it would only have to go to $1,000 minus your shares, but then you got taxes too, right? So you got to count for that, right? So you're going to pay almost, it's less than half, but roughly, right? It's easier, a little bit less, right? So you need to go do around minus your shares. A good number, you need about 1,700 to make $1 million. That's low shooting at like low, but you know how I operate. Everything I go low on because I like to be happy. I don't like to screw myself. And yes, I overpaid the taxes like 20%. I paid like 60% taxes on there because I shot it low, right? So yeah, about 1,700, and that's for all of them. Sold about 1,700, and I can't go into any more detail because I can't talk any more prices like that. I can talk about what we're talking about now, but I can't predict stuff because you're not allowed to do that on here. It's hurting somebody into shit. But I don't know, and I don't know what it's going to go to. We don't, right? We know it's obviously it's going to go really high, and $1,000 is really nothing. But yeah, you're around the same ballpark as me. I would definitely be doing the three tier selling system, man. Even though with 1,000. Okay, wouldn't you leave the runners if you have a large amount of shares? Depends on, yeah, of course, I'm talking, yes, you could make more money, but you have to look at it from depends on, you're in debt. Not in debt, but I've took money that I could use right now, like a fucking big chunk of money to buy those shares. Somebody that has a like 5-10 shares, it isn't that much money. It's not like a fucking half a car. You know what I'm saying? Yes, you can make more money, but you got to pay back a huge debt. You know what I'm saying? You're most likely to pull out of the position beforehand. You know what I'm saying? Because you got to pay shit back. You're gonna have to pay taxes on that with a smaller amount. Yeah, you got to pay tax. It's just a different scenario. And if you're smart, you don't need that much money to flip into another play. Okay, I'm just looking at it from a different angle. There's 2 or 3 different ways you can look at it. I was just trying to help my friend out to give him a positive vibe on it, and it's. If you look at it and do it that way, like he's not doing the 3-system exit strategy, and I wouldn't either, right? Because I am worried. My main concern is the recovery of shares. That's my first sell, is that and taxes for that, and a little bit of money, right? So, yeah. There you guys go. It's just a different way of looking at it. You know what I'm saying? Right? I'm just looking at it for somebody with a smaller amount of shares. That's all. Just trying to help them out. Oh, I gave you the wrong name. Oh, okay, because I was wondering. Okay, yes, selling in brackets of 3 for sure. It's like for somebody with 10 shares, selling in brackets of 3, I personally wouldn't. Even with 50 shares, I wouldn't sell in brackets of 3. Right? Okay, Cam, what do you see AMC squeezing anytime soon? Johnny, if I knew, I would tell you. Nobody on the planet knows. Nobody does. At this rate right now, it won't squeeze until we get the dark pool dealt with, because they won't let the FOMO in. We do. I've seen FOMO in the last couple months a couple times. Not extreme, but enough to kick it to get extreme FOMO, and it's diverted. So the more they know, they're choking it. It's called choking it. They're choking the stock flow. So until they straighten that out, in my opinion, there won't be a squeeze. Okay, but it doesn't change anything, because all it's doing is winding the shit up tighter and tighter and tighter. It will go, but I just don't know when. Okay, and it's not fair to you, ladies and gentlemen, to and I repeat this repeatedly, is to put information out there and making videos and saying, oh, next month it's gonna go this week. Oh, we're really close now. I might say we're close with the numbers, like I might say close, as in close that things are lining up, and I'll reiterate it like things are lining up close to the $70 range. I've done that before, but I'll also say it's setting itself up, but we don't know when, right? It's just not fair. Being let down is not good. And what that will do is mentally, that will make you sell earlier. Okay. It will fucking scare you. And that's what I don't want to do. Not that I want you to hold longer, but it what it's doing is damage. It's making you all jittery. A jittery stock person is not good, right? You start second guessing yourself. You start putting greed on the table. If somebody's sitting there pumping you, going, "This is it's going to go to $1 million. It's going to go to $1 million. It's going to go to $1 million. It's going to go to $1 million." Constantly doing that. If you're watching those videos, 500,000, constantly, your subconscious mind won't let you focus on a lower recovery amount and figure it out. You're going to be waiting, and the stock, it'll be over and you'll be waiting still. Okay, that's what I don't want to do to you guys, right? I would rather you guys be very, very aware of what's happening. Okay, yes, selling in 3 brackets for sure. Okay, Cam, can you say it all again? I was on the phone. Okay, I was second with Tesla on the phone. I heard something about the squeeze. You guys are hilarious. You guys know how to get me going. Love you guys. So yeah, guys, everybody with the smaller amount of shares, I love ya. Relax. It's all good. It doesn't matter. We got some plays afterwards where you guys can make some friggin' good money. And yes, this is life changing. And yes, any amount of money, the extra money that you have, a good chunk, anything like 20, 30 grand is a good chunk. Okay, you can make some. It might take you a little bit longer, but that's enough to make some good friggin' plays. Within 3 or 4 years, you can make some good money off that money, man. if you make. Okay, I second with Tesla. Okay, I second that with Tesla. Oh, Tesla, I read it wrong. Sorry about that, Tess. Okay, do you think they will start covering at? I know there's. I know that they're at $8 range, $6 to $8 range. I know that there is. There's. They've shorted it that low, and probably even lower. But I'm aware that that's when it really started getting shorted and doubled down on. I don't really know. It's hard to predict. You know why? Because I still don't know why they're doubling down. I seen the other day on that Stocko tracker thing there, and I seen that a quarter of the positions doubled down again. They shorted it even more, and I'm like, what the fuck? It just doesn't make sense. The whole thing doesn't make sense. So I don't know. I can't really give you any more than that on that. I know it's kind of vague, because I don't know. I don't have the paper in front of me and I don't think anybody really has that except I think because there's synthetics out there. I don't think anybody really knows because of the synthetics about it. So sorry, I can't really give you, because I won't lie to you. I won't intentionally lie to you. So by me telling you a different answer is lying to you, because I don't really know. Okay, do you respect that? Okay. Guys, something on the 1st. Is it from CS? Guys, something happening on the 1st. It's from SEC. I don't know anything about that, Sanjay. Where'd you hear it? I never heard anything on the 1st. Yeah, Sanjay, I know what she's trying to say, that because when you short a stock and then it goes up, it puts you in a bad, you're paying a premium. Okay, I know what she's getting at. If it gets down low enough, are they just gonna pay their position out and fuck it? There is no squeeze. I know what she's trying to say. I understand totally. It's just that I won't do that to you guys. I don't know, right? I'm not gonna lie to you. And the reason why it would be a lie is because I don't know what the real thing is, right? So I'm speculating. That's the word, right? I'm speculating, which is not good. I can understand that if it gets to the $8 range, we're in trouble. Put it that way, okay? I don't think it'll get that low. And if it gets to the $8 range, I understand what you're saying. They can just cover and walk away with paying nothing, really, except all the money they lost over the months and months and months. And yes, that can happen. They can pay it out whenever they want, right? But I don't think it will get that low. They're too stupid. You have to remember, there's a pride thing with these 1%ers. They wouldn't have been in this position in the first place. They would have cashed out right now. It's a pride thing. It's down low. Why wouldn't they cash out now? You know what I'm saying? They're not, right? And it is what it is. And we own 80% of the shares. So to cash those shares out, they got to find them first. Does that make any sense to you? I don't know, Proud. But what is that name that you wanted me to look up, my friend? Let's get that dealt with. What's the name you wanted me to look up? The one that the wrong information there that I gave, or you, whoever, it doesn't matter who. You said that you gave me the wrong name. Oh, you gave me the wrong name, which is fine. It's fine. Just I'll look it up now. Let's get that dealt with. I can feel your guys' stress a bit. I can feel your guys' stress. It's fine. It's fine. You guys, you can keep on throwing it. It's not intentional, and I don't say that in a bad way. I'm just saying that I can feel it. I can feel the tension a bit, which is it's normal, guys, ladies and gentlemen. Because a lot of it is unknown, and a lot of it is not understanding, and a lot of it is out of your control, right? That's what I don't like. Oh, ticker GD. Okay. And there's really nothing we can do, right? Is that Proud? Is Is that general dynamics? Is that I'm gonna wait for you to answer that. I'll just wait for you, Proud, just because there's a bunch here. I want to make sure we get it right this time. Yes, okay. Oh, okay. It's an expensive stock. Okay, what was the question on this? You want to just have a look at it? Are you thinking about buying, or do you have position in this? Just I want to get a little bit of information off you. We're gonna blast this on the 30-minute because there's very low volume in this for some. Okay, what is this? Okay, dude. Okay, the 52-week high is 206. We're pretty close to that now. And 100, it doesn't change. Well, it doesn't really change that much. It still holds its value. Oh, wow. Fucking ladder attack to shit. This thing's having issues too. I don't like I don't like the look of this stock, my friend. Are you thinking about buying this? I don't like this, man. It looks like AMC. Sorry, but yeah, it's weird, man. I'm seeing the same pattern. Like, it goes up and then attack down. It looks like it's being schwacked all over the place. Okay. It was workhorse. That makes sense. Okay, that makes sense. So it's been shorted to shit, or I mean shorted to shit. That's why that's why it's all over the place, because it didn't look. It looks. In the future, Proud, I would have a look at it. Yeah, I would. Yeah, that's. I don't know. I don't know anything about it, right? But I'm just looking at it. If it was me, like if somebody said, "Hey, look at this stock. Here's some money. Would you buy it?" Right now, I wouldn't. I would stay away from it. Just from what I see, and I would have to do some more information. But I'm just going. Oh, it pays a dividend yield of 2.42. Okay. Let's have a look at it again once we get through this squeeze. Okay, Proud? I'll look at it with you. Okay, my friend? I'm pretty things will change. We'll see what happens in a fire sale on this. Okay? I'm going to jump back into AMC. Let's hang on a second, actually. Yeah, everything's going red. Everything was red before, but it's really going red now. All those ones that were doing really good, majority of them are down. Crazy. Crazy, my friends. Holy fuck. Look at all that red. Oh my god. Come on. Why won't the screen go up? Oh, there we go. That's better. I was looking at the 30-minute. If you put it on the 30-minute, don't put it on the 30-minute, guys. It's pretty sad. You don't want to look at that. Stuck on 37. We keep on cranking around 37. 37. You're right. Yeah. Yeah. It's just bounced in. It's in a channel. Stuck in a channel. 38. It was doing that the other day on 39 and 40 last week. Why is it stuck on? Oh, it's actually, you're saying it's stuck on 37.63? It hasn't moved at all? I thought you were actually talking about the thing. Here, let's hit the refresh button here. Hit the refresh button, Johnny, on your, if you can. On some smartphones you can't. We got low volume coming in, my friend. And along with what's diverted. Yeah, this is planned bullshit, obviously. I'm just going to turn this light off here. There, that's better. On my eyeballs. It's like I'm under a heat lamp, under interrogation here. Okay. Yeah, that's slow. Yeah, I know what you're saying. It is pretty slow. Have a good day, everybody. Not a problem, Proud. Not a problem, my friend. Peace, brother. Peace, peace, peace. Hey, Monty. How you doing, brother? They have the way out of this situation. Cap. Yep, they don't have a way out. No, they're pretty much screwed, my friend. They got to get those shares. There's no shares of it. Synthetics are synthetics, right? But they got to find the shares to buy them first. I'm going to pull up a trading view here for you guys. Okay? I'm going to pull up another screener here. Just going to check something. Because everybody's noticing the same thing. Not with this, just in the market in general. Just want to check something. I'm just going to do some DD here and check something out here. Here we go. Hopefully it doesn't mess the screen up on you guys. Okay, it's not. Okay. Is it 37.50, 37, 37.50, 37.53? Yeah, I'm getting the same action. Identical, everybody. It's the same. I got two different screeners here, and they're pretty much the same.
online with Canada Drives.
Sorry about that, my friends. Okay, Dokley. Okay. Do you guys have any more questions? What time is it here? 9 o'clock. Still early. I was going to bounce off here, but it's still early, guys. Do you guys want me to hang out longer, or are you guys good? Do you want to just go on, continue your day, or do you guys want to hang out more? Oh, everybody's, oh, yeah, it's up to you guys what you want me to do, okay? Totally up to you. I notice I'm getting a little bit of hesitation on my internet speed. Here, I'll close some of these apps. Maybe that'll have something to do with it. Oh, there we go. That's exactly what it was. Okay. Let's wait for you guys to answer me here. I could look at I could go through my Twitter actually. That's what I could do. Yeah, it is glitchy. Internet's glitchy as hell now. It says it's healthy, but anyways. I'm just checking some software here, my friends. Internet's glitchy as hell now. It says it's healthy, but anyways. That's fine. Just checking to see if there's a lag on there for you guys. Okay. There we go. We got some. There's a message coming for a dentist appointment. I thought it was today. I was like, oh no. But it's not. It's tomorrow. Good. We're lucky. Look at that big juicy candle. Take anything we can get right now. Jeez. Ridiculous. Ridiculous, my friends. Okay, well, I'm out of here. Gotta get up and do the roof. Warren, I'm surprised you're even on here, my friend. I thought you're... Wow, for sure, buddy. Peace out, bro. Peace out, my friend. Be safe up there, okay? Especially if it's raining. Okay? Test well. Yeah, maybe, guys. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Do you think we should shut her down? There's not that much happened today, my friends. It's stagnant right now. Trying to get a squeeze out of my AMC lately, but asking the wife if I can. That's awesome, my friend. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna blast off here. We're gonna have another approach at this tomorrow. I'm gonna rate a bunch of you back. If you do want, I'm gonna be putting an order in. Oh, okay. I'll just answer the Sanjay's question coming in right now. What do we need to look for at if stock is about to dip heavy? We are in a little bit of a dip. On something like this, you just test. Answer my question. Well, oh shit, I didn't get that. Something happened here. I'm not getting your answer. I'm not getting your question. All I got is proud. Take it easy, bro. And then well, I didn't get it, dude. Do you want to just put it back up there? Sorry, buddy. I am having internet issues here. That's why I was asking you if there's issues on your end. And while I'm waiting for that, Sanjay. Oh, okay. Any stock? Oh, okay. Sorry, my friend. Usually, well, okay. I'll be very on that. I'm waiting for your test. I'm waiting for your question to come in, my friend. I didn't get it on this side. So what you look for is you can look for the indicators. If you go into that playlist, if you want something to do today, there's a playlist, stock charts that I have done. You can go in there and there's symbols you can look for. But on these meme stocks, it doesn't, that are shorted, it doesn't work. Technical analysis is really hard to do. But if you go in there, there's at least a couple hours of stuff you guys can watch. Here, I'm going to make sure that this is going through. Oh, here it is. Oh, okay, it finally came through. I didn't get that last question. I will look at it right. I'll look at it right now. I'll look at it after I get off, my friend. FOMO. Thank you. And sorry about that, man. Yeah, I'm having issues too on this end, bro. That's what I was asking you guys, if it's all glitchy, because my chart's going like this, or when I'm looking at myself, it's going like this. I'm like a robot. It's freeze framing. It's dropping frames. So I just noticed that could be just on this end though, right? Live. Test, I will have you an answer in the morning. I'll have a look at that when I get off of here. Okay, and this is from Test. I was just writing you a message manually saying that I didn't get it. Okay, look at these candles. Here we go. So, Sanjay, there you go. That'll give you something to do, my friend. I just don't have time to explain it. There's like a whole bunch of things that could contributing factors into that, bro. You know what I'm saying about the stocks. I wouldn't be using that on these stocks to buy. I'd be text me and I'll tell you if it's shorted, and you can find out if it is or if it's in that meme stock category. I wouldn't be using that to buy in strategies and exit strategies on that, my friend. Just because it could screw you, okay? Okay, guys, look at these candles. Juicy as hell. And I'm gonna... Oh, I know what I can do. Okay, just checking everything out here, guys. Okay, guys, I'm gonna jump off here, but before anything, you guys got my email at the top. I'm gonna be putting an order together for Android boxes to the States, okay? And if in the UK, if you guys want some too, just send me an email, okay? I usually like to do them all at once. I'm gonna be putting a big order together here. So if you guys want any, if you want any prices, any of that stuff, just contact me with my email address whenever you want. Okay. 3 soldiers. It changed, but it was. You gotta have a red and a red, my friend. But yes, Mr. L. Your mind's thinking that way. That fourth candle screwed it for that terminology. Rabbit hole. Right on, Tess. You guys are awesome. Okay, my friends. I'll see you at the same time. I'm having internet. It's glitching a bit. Plus, I just don't want to sit on here and it's getting. I just don't want to sit here dead. You know what I mean? I want to give you guys the opportunity to go out there, get some fresh air, go walk around, and just think, man. All these shares you own, and it is what it is. They're the ones that are stressing right now, right? It is what it is. Okay? Love you guys. Love you, Wolfpack. And you guys keep it real. And if any good stuff comes out, I'll blast a video on. But if you don't hear anything, it's because I'm sifting through bullshit information. It's hard to find nowadays good stuff. 4 Horsemen. I know, you're awesome, man. Okay, take it easy, guys. Peace.